Hey, yeah. I mean, yeah, probably chat. Lock the door, bar. Check if the door is closing. Can you close it for me, baby? Please. The thing in your ears, you gotta listen. And you want, boo. Check if the door is closed and close the door for me, baby. You gotta close it. Okay, lock it. Fingers locked for me, please. Is it closed?
Yes.
Go wash your hand before you have your hand in your eye.
I washed it.
You didn't. Go wash your hands. You didn't. You're just lying. And Kelly Joe, come lend me some books, Kay. Kelly, come beg us something. Come throw this over me. Kind of feeling chilly.
I know if don't love there, I don't love you. You're not ghost. You know if you're there. I'm not, I see none of my sister.
You're going to bed now.
One of them.
In it.
One. Could I say busy bee or one of them could have blow out cleat step in. Nobody, bro. Jamaican smart disappear to blow out cleat.
Okay. You're going to bed. Okay, close the door and don't latch the door.
Everybody roses, try roses.
Andrew, thank you. Chat 7 person with a rose. I still go sleep too. Can't bother with the whole pie, yeah. Chat, look, one more rose.
Guys, some roses. Come in and chat that even one we not try.
Chat, look, one somebody with 10 galaxy. One more rose.
Yeah, bro,
thank you, Angie. Thank you, Unlimited.
Rose, and some people not really not like me, no. And I really don't like me, no. I send one rose, no, brother. No, fuck off. Hold on, no. Love when I see me.
Yeah.
Even one rose, I not send to rich in my mind.
Chat, use the double. Chat, we can use the double. Chat, we can use the double. Can we use the double? Can we use the double? Can we use the double? Can we? We're not on a galaxy. We're not on a money gun. We're not on a wheel. We're not on an art.
On a shameful chat. Hello.
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah. Mr. Classic, chat to another galaxy.
Yeah, just that on a day with no not and show one money gonna one galaxy and stay suburbs and try snipe game and some style. On the day the youth, sir. That's my it, you know? Clap and do. I must not tell them. What one to know? Pussy clap.
Yeah, I don't know where it ends.
Then I go and go a while again, but you know what? My your bestie them did over here shoot, so when they see them disappear and take with them. So.
No, my bestie. I have no bestie.
No, I don't know. Maybe I told you support them. I don't know. They understand. They wouldn't go and go a while ago, boy. But what?
When them come back, they come back here.
All right, sister. Thank you very much. Big up yourself.
I pray for someone like you. How that? I want to say how that? God on time. One on time, thank you, my baby. Chat, oh, I got chat a little pieces out of it. Oh, I want somebody with 15 swan. Want somebody with 15 swan. Well, oh, I want somebody with 15 swan. Want somebody with 15 swan. God on time, thank you for the gathering. Want somebody with 15 swan. Always blessed. I thought I don't come from morning though, yeah, for my best right. Baby J Bliss. Can I get some from some of them? Sometime when overnight blood clot come up here, in blood clot in instigator list. To them Monday. Today's Monday and appear instigator left. Yeah. I'm gonna restart before I restart my leave. I'm gonna come to work late, you know. Baby J. Yeah. Messing all over. I'm gonna do my business this morning. I wake up late. Jules said 8 o'clock, I go sleep. I look. No, I don't know if I want them. I wonder. I think I need some vitamins. I now come live Wednesday. I think I want some vitamin and minerals. The girl fancy view left her ID and her passport up as half a tree. Quote, go on up there, retrieve it, please. Me just remember. The girl will come the fancy, the work of fancy view. Don't know which girl that, but go on up there for your ID, your things, them. Good pussy, Melisha. No, Jude, would I say appear? Okay. So cocky Angela, you deaf? I block you. Can't tell the distress. No. When I look too down, I can't tell the problem. Thank you, good as. Anytime I look too down upon the board, I can't tell the blood. Farah, come beg you 2 wheel, Farah. Can't get none from you, I don't know why. Farah, she wicked to you, see. Can't get none from her. No lie. I bet me I go. Oh, the thank you. Good old Farah. I think needy put vitamin. I don't know she put vitamins supposed to in my bag and the melatonin. No, for true, I want some proper blood clot rest. When I go blood clot rest, so I have to beg. I have to walk, you know. Come to me look work, but I want some rest, man. I want some vitamin. Nobody feel drained. I don't know why. I slept today. We got jump and see black. I'm sure that there last night, you know. And some me want them juice. I want me not come last night. Juice me go sleep. I wake up, I change my pussy clock, man. So I wake up back and change my ass, mine. And apart from wake up back and change my ass, mine. I go up on the road to IQ them and I like come back here must be about 4 o'clock. Tell me so I go bleach, you go blood clot report by 6 o'clock. Blood clot. If I want a phone call with me and tell them for overseas, foreign call me upon drop asleep. I need to up in my blood clot 29 bills. I'm gonna report and go buy a tissue and bathing soap. I'm gonna buy one pattern and I'm good. I'm just say, come back in, go lie down here, man. Them time the bar wake, I'm going from bar wake. Bar start me, I'm to Ross. Say bar look both spicy, no, because I look pan him. Say bar, I sit never sleep, you know. I'm gonna sleep for the whole night. Yeah, I'm done that still. Need food, no going on, and I left him out here. I may buy a party, you know. I give me party. I left him out here, jump from one corner, SAT, to the next corner. I'm out here to one bag of something. You know, him not talk much, and I make no whole problem. Because when him have him earphone over him ears, him good. And him not hungry. And that's why him not hungry, you know, because snacks there and him eat. Snacks there and he eat. Yeah. Snacks there and eat. Snacks there and eat. I'm saying I can go play one match with bridge. Snacks there. XOX, we get some XOX. XX of 4, we get some auntie. Snacks there and he eat. And snacks me there. I eat him dinner. What they did the last night? Who that? Bumbo XX. Thank you on dinner when they did it. Stepfather cast on dinner for him last night that this man ate it. XX, thank you. Good pussy. Roughy diva. I'm be a good while, but the kind of tired, yeah, man. XX, if I send me one more Insta Stella, you catch a tiger gift to auntie. Yeah. That put we are trying to go on the board, you know. On the board at 210. Always blessed. We are trying to go up there in the body. Yeah, play.
Now for come back.
One to you.
Nothing.
What do I record?
Off your ear. I'm glad you have a girl here for. People.
Wrangler a fight.
It looks so. So I'm glad you have your ear. Beat him up.
Again. No, man. You not feel laugh, you know. You not feel laugh.
Rose, don't want to stop. Rose,
You not feel laugh. You not feel laugh.
Rose, me not laugh, Rose. Me not laugh.
No laugh.
But Rose, I'm talking about the relationship tomorrow, man. Two of them, Rose.
You're not talking about the ratio, but you don't laugh. Because remember, say, what day when you are misended over, you nobody ever laugh after you.
No, Wrangler, bring me down. Wrangler, cuss me.
Don't follow up Wrangler, madman.
Wrangler, cuss me and bring me down. Right through and say, oh my wife, Penny, then dirty. And get a lion too. And come back and add me and tell me saying, he bring me down and get lion. Yeah. Say me and she say, me not really busy about them. Me not busy about them. You see it? Me not busy about them.
Ricardo, me never say if you busy, me just say don't laugh. Simple.
You can't laugh, Rose.
You can't busy in a people. What is that? Yellow! Come here. To pussy cloud, I'm done and now
go check me up, man. They're so good again. Yeah, good though.
Yeah, me just say don't laugh.
Me not laugh in a bad way, man, you know.
What are you?
Me not laugh in a bad way.
Alright.
Go and big up yourself, because.
Alright, my baby.
Alright.
No, yeah, so I see some trips. I ask you out here, when I realize that Barbara did out here. And then if I go spray the settee with the
When I eat Lay's.
I pay Lay's. I pay and how much Lay's in them, so? I see about 5 Lay's in them to blood clot. Hey. Try me, I look to gift on the board. I not put more than I put in a relationship a long time, them day. Now I'm say, I beg. Oh, some on the blood clot stay over here. As when I hear one blood clot story, so I'm ready to come dissect it. Yeah. I get myself in a people problem. Track me, I look song, me, I try go up on the board, you know. Hard to go up there. Anybody else can lend me anything will like me. It's a real Jews there. Anything at all you can lend me. Jews me couldn't come back last night. No, come me tired. Me I tell her say, Tommy, me I tell her say, me want some vitamin. No, what do me? I look one somebody with 15 swan. You know what do me? Yeah. Man, I put my mouth in a people relationship. I beg. We can't get too honored. I wanna follow the page. We can't get too honored for go subam now. We are try jump go up there. We want somebody with 15 swan for the gallery. Try to go the cheapest. You don't know who might pass through, but they pass through when they're ready. We look one somebody with 15 swan. We look one somebody with 15 swan. Phenomenal woman, thank you, Fluffy Diva. Anybody can buy 15 swan for the gallery, I really do appreciate it. No run clippings some of them, I could have beg one local wheel or two Galaxy. When I was come run the people them. When I was come run the blood clot people them. You know, pains to get come slump on me a blood clot. And I have put my pussy big, Without the tight when it's ready. We are look one ballers. Shot we are look one somebody with 15 swan. For Fidiva, I can't follow you. I follow you. The son of the Messiah can't get nothing for you. So good pussy, Juicy Freddy. Juicy Freddy call them the 15 swan, them a good hole. Tight hole. Trot, my man birthday, I come up, and my son birthday, I come up, my two favorite man in the world. I don't feel like saying I got blood clot to get my man blood clot birthday. Them could have ball blood over this pussy clot and me not care about them. So my man birthday is coming up and my son birthday is coming up. Puffy, lend me something, Puff. Puff, come lend me something. Me, I want to make a give me something, but I think about something for my son. Them would I like. Yeah. Me not keep my party. Where you a B2 man for? Yo.
Rosalie, if you play one match, Rosalie, just play one match on top but then say me beat me, woman.
What's your ball for?
Me don't know what she a ball for, because I take off the wig off her head because she go on with too much foolishness. She fi play so much, Rosalie. Listen me now, Rosalie. Listen to this very carefully. She play a silent game a while ago. She play a silent game a while ago and one girl tap on her can because she not no score. And she get emotional. You see him set of people them over there in that girl comment section. I tell the girl how much things to tell the girl to tell Prudent for this Brit. So Brit getting her feelings just because Brit bigger than the girl and some style. Brit claim to say me want juke the girl. More know how Brit and from this I know so me want juke that girl. Brit goes to me, I look the girl, me, he like the girl and all of these things. We're playing a trolling game. Mama get bad and want try to take me down and I'm me there with him. Me and guardian, me and husband, me and man and me there with him. Me only I show him to be and every night they go get the bag of life.
A free she freeze?
No, and a free she freeze.
Brit. So me not see you.
No, you see me all the time.
So I want DP that.
Where?
No, Brit just now move.
Normal like she freeze by my end.
Oh, really?
Yo, chopper, you dip on the ground, bro.
She freeze. When I see her chat, she just free like I want so much a back job.
I don't know.
So I want trolling my she take off for a wig.
Trolling match and she just start like she want crash out. Me I feel wonder say if the little weed me a bonus so it send grown there and it go up in her nose and get her eye. He get her frost better than. She just start going like you want crash out by me. So me have grown there. Go make you know say remember say I wrangler this I say I wrangler this and I know we man in this pick up say I know a wrangler house there.
Yeah.
I a wrangler pay for this, so I have to grow and go make you know say I a zozo also there. Not
Hey.
a little waste man them.
Me say, hey. Tictock nice, you know. What you say? Me not hear you good, so. What you say, Wrangler?
Me say around there talk be things about how much nyam cratties and fuck batty and how much be a bag of allegation here on the attack. So I have to go and go for making say it's not Yankee this. And a Yankee this are and then man them this when usually they back with the 9 pass. So I have to just go and go clap me on 2 times. Make you know say wake up.
But you don't
Me not
put
do
it on
Rosalie. Rosalie, my do
Zozo is
right
not
now.
true to
Rosalie,
put it on
I
her.
action material.
Zozo, watch out, bro. You can't make words and make you do them thing there, bro.
Come like
Tell
you come like a week and make him feel like some boy Ray. You might talk too much foolishness, man, better than man. I have to shake her up a while ago. More if a money you come to make or you come to carry feelings, bro. Bro, the game is the game, bro. If a girl does a thing for you to hurt your feelings, it's 2 options. Jump or you wait till you get score. You answer back the girl.
Hold on the Zozo. So you're going to go clap her up.
No, man, me no go clap her up, man. Me just go,
What you going to go do?
go rush him up and then wile him up.
So are we come off our head?
Take off your wig off her head.
So what you grab our wig off our head?
You have to take your wig off her head, guy. Come like if your wig name come off her head, you know this is something serious.
Mate, you can't get physical over a game, bro. You know a game go already, dog. You can't put your hand on her first, bro.
But you alright?
Yeah, I'm trying to be.
Zozo. Him not answer.
The Rosalie is about here. Now you're a Rosalie. Let hear it, huh?
When we going to go try the girl wig off our head.
Yeah, alright, man. That's something what she doing for a morning. The wig just scratch her. And she beg me to take off here, I'm take off the wrong way.
Yeah, man.
You say me sit down pull it from back.
You're right, so you take off the wrong way.
Me no know say I saw a wig fi come off. He shouldn't tell me say from back me for pull it from. He tell me to help him take off the wig, I'ma take off the wig by...
They don't want your wig come off, Brit, or him just dry off.
No, him come around up on the live and draw off a wig. Me dey on the live right, I so sit down in front of my people them. And he asked me 2 questions. And I do a answer. And then he come around and
Bumbo chopper on the ground. You hold on to go for a chopper. Bro, you can't make a game and get to your head, bro, and make you get it physical, bro. You see, the care what she wants to that. You know what truly game we are playing. Who know did that play?
No game physical, bro. Me just tell the girls, bro. Me just going to go make sure you know, so if a silent game I play, you play the silent game. If a feelings you carry, let me know what I want. So I'll see you it over here. You go to talk about, oh, me want to fuck 2 chrome. Every night, no me there in a bed, baby.
Body, no me dog.
No me there so I make plans. Me don't even want to put the plans on the table. No me there so I want good vibes. So, oh, 2 chrome come in a picture.
But you're very abusive, so we are looking for if you don't make plans. Suppose we get a lick about something in your outer order.
My son, no should be scared.
They go around, they go try the girl we got for it from an
One chop up on the ground.
You're too old tall as those, and somebody needs to tell the truth. Stop put your hand on the girl. You can't talk. When you lick people, all you gotta do is make them eat you.
Livia go suck out your mother, Livia. Thinking bad man, girl. Go lick out on their mama. You have two side cutlass. Don't talk to me, dirty girl. Where you go, come over here so I can talk about. Girl, you know
She
say you
can't
have
come on
two
the internet
side.
with her ear stay, so. Whenever tell us a Brit like come see I got their feelings. Any lie make me go and work then. Simple.
Down, no for the chopper.
I you go look somebody else pay me, she stay in a fear feelings.
He say not play nobody but me, you know. Me alone, she just want to play with.
That you can't, bro, you can't go and put your hand on a bit first, dog, on your leg, bro. You should tell us if you don't live and go talk out the dog.
So better than the pussy when I'm a woman good enough. So why I
Better than you can't
why I
put
continue
on
beat up
Better
yourself
than
better
all I
than?
ever tell him say don't put him on that car. She there in her house.
I can't tell you what you don't know on here, bro.
Let you stay. Chat 17 hours.
They ain't good enough, bro. When you don't get in a man and woman thing, they ain't good now, brother. I told them I'm gonna sleep tonight, brother. I'm just lower 5 body energy now, dog.
Trot 17 rows.
Wrangler good, Brit good.
Do by the girl here tomorrow morning.
My side, chop up the score there. Oh, 1.7 now, no come over here, come listen to buckle at the argument and can push up the score. Go lick out to the mama and go out and go dark shit. All dirty blood clot, low life people go suck out to the mama. All you know and come over here, come get screen record and run with it. You have some dirty low life people, all dirty shit house. You make blood clot Britney paranoid because Britney now get the blood clot score them. You want to know about Britney a blood clot chat. You know see the blood clot Britney and look one little piece of bread, all dirty shit house people. Where 7.5 I want to come from? It's 7.5 I want to do the recharge and the shoot for Britney right now. That would have maybe put one smile on her blood clot face. You go suck out to the mama and come out of a blood clot relationship. Go lick out to the mama back way. All dirty dog bed people. You have some blood clot, hold down over here. So go suck on the mama. Go jump off in on the mama think pussy. You know enough over there. Make your blood clot girl score look like how you look over there in our blood clot numbers. 7.7K, make your blood clot score go there so. 1.9 people on blood clot know that. He girl want pussy clot bread. He girl want bread for go buy him pussy clot chicken them dark shit. So if she don't want talk, me go blood clot talk. He girl in a money blood clot worries. Go suck on man. If you don't send no bread, go away. If Britney don't want tell you, me go blood clot tell you no. Dark shit. Brit want more than one blood clot wig. So if a wig gonna come out, we can buy a blood clot man. Go suck on man. Hold on, run coming on the numbers. Run coming on the numbers and put in a card on the account. Put in a blood clot card on the account. Passport drop. We want to fly up that blood clot small island. We want to go New Jersey. Blood clot. Send the bread come. Me house be a belting. How your blood clot say? Woman want to come carry up in a AC. Dark shit. And as I say a comfortable life, woman want. All shit house, read the room. You 7 point blood class 6 sound over there, read the room. And as I say a bread one, dog shit. Go lick out to no mama. I don't know can say Britney let's say boy. Britney call police. Britney do this, Britney do that. Britney red. That can't go on PayPal, madam. Sir, that can't go on PayPal. All of them don't want to comment in a Britney chat, that can't go on PayPal. That can't make Britney go Western Union.
Tell Tukrum because suck out him big pussy, man. I got that one. Don't say it,
listen me, man. Just go on a blood clot go. You know go on a pussy clot go. Suck out and now no mama think pussy. You know could never, but what I do over there? What I tell her things so if I could never support her? What I do over there?
Hey, what I go follow chopper, bro?
Let me tell you this, man. I'm going to name out to no mama pussy.
That thanks.
I want to see a man over there tell 2 crumb things a while ago to tell Britney. I want to now give girl no score. I want to go suck on the man. Go leak out. Hey, I'm telling you this, man. I want to go away.
First,
if one want to go away. Empress, beg you and push kitten them, my baby girl. Prudent.
First, give them 3.
Prudent.
Yes.
Beg you people them now. Tell them to show up a gift for guano them are gonna.
That first, give them 3.
While them with my babes. While up in dog shit them. Tell them your mind. Close mouth can't be fed. Talk your mind, babes. I want a 6.7 of them talk
That
before
come
they
me want
leave.
bread. Me want
You will know
bread.
who we are. Hear this one here.
Yeah.
Go near mouth and there, mama. Jade, I beg you one puskin before you
Chat,
go.
beg on something.
That me want bread.
One blood clot bread.
Bread.
Look on the
Chat,
top
you
boy
beg on
girl that
something.
win and look on the girl score. You know this one take a girl for one pussy.
Sexy time.
You all on over there take a girl for one
You let the man
cratching.
talk out of your mouth. Talk with your
Talk out of your mouth and tell
Close
people
button
what
up
you
with the
need.
one bread. Chat, I don't believe it's also a new man.
Chat,
Look
should
all
be
over
score
there,
there,
so
chat.
watch five on different side.
Should be score there. Should be score there, chat. Should be score there. Should be score there my side. Should be score there my side. Cause my corp in the night, I know.
Chat,
My
oh,
corp.
2 money gonna have one galaxy. Most of the money going
All
to
of them pack up over there can tell Brit this. Tell Brit that.
God on time, they can't reach out and bigger something.
And then can't give girl a support. I only time
But
you
more
spend
follow
with the
God
girl.
on time.
When the girl, you know, want to look for argument over here with me.
Speed.
You come like if me not do something with that serious or intent, watch out. 6.3 them and then can't catch one $900 speed better than.
Chat to one,
You can't
two
believe that better
chat.
than
So 2 Anna chat.
Yeah.
Chat to one, 2
one
money gonna have one galaxy
galaxy,
catch his speed.
One galaxy catch a speed Empress. One galaxy. 6,000 of them
Can't
over
get 2
there.
money gun.
And then can't catch one speed.
Chat
And
catch
you
his
say
speed,
one
no
bag of
chat.
dog shit them over there.
A fuck
Chat
with
catch his
that.
speed, no please.
One bag of blood clot dog shit them over there want manipulate the girl and tell the
2
girl
more
what to
Anna
do.
chat catch his
I
speed,
wanna
no
feed up.
thanks.
Eh?
A
I'm gonna
fuck
lick
with
out to
that.
no man.
Unu come off a Brit live.
Brit knows that they don't come for support, so Brit now beg them. Brit knows that them down and supporting
Those.
crowd. I views clout that.
Chat
Yeah.
double.
All
Chat
dog
me for you
shit
the
them.
double. We are try go the double. Chat use the double. Use the double, chat.
Hold on, I want to set a dog
Chat, you
shit.
can't help out Juicy if you want another wheel.
Hold on, I want dog bed. When you want to run pan here pan a talk up on the mouth, and say girl want score. And you say girl want help. And so when you want come today, come tell her, say, yeah, Brittany left it, boy. Yeah, Brittany, go on, Brittany. Yeah, and then tomorrow when Brittany go on and left her for suffer. When Brittany go on boy in business, and left him for go do some look foolish. Yeah. And when you go lead him to Yankee. And when you lead him to Yankee, when you start tell him say Yankee a batty man. Okay. And so you full of blood class style. When you lead her to Yankee. And when no she lead up to Yankee now. She go fuck Yankee and now Yankee gone now. And you say, yeah, girl pussy shit up. Girl now no ambition. Girl you a low life, you run left zozo for go fuck batty man. Girl you want 2 side girl. Girl you want dirty gas pan. When you say worst things about the girl, fish if you come down. Okay, and this one want see long time. Missy say this one want blood classy. Who do mind if men chop him up with the machete? Who do mind if men fling 2 big stone and fine? So you can get things to go talk a morning. Oh, those who are ill treat brick kind of money now come in. Oh, those who are this big hour. Oh, those who are that. Okay, that is the only time. But when you over here cry for help, we can't see 6 point how much I know. We can't see 7 point how much I know. If you tell me say, oh, go and roll out Zozo and Brit. Help soon come. This soon come. Where do you know when you say Britney and when the queen? No, Britney a shit up pussy girl. Britney a dirty body girl. Britney fi go away.
Unu send one lion.
Talk out to no mother. Make you hang up your woman screen record when you not see Babs. When you make your Babs feel like so you're red. Go suck to no man. Lick out to no man. Yeah. Britney not telling me, I tell you, you know. Me not wait till you go, you know. Cause me know you not hear me. Cause she no mute me. Yeah, she not go mute her king. That's one thing me know for sure. And I know one thing for sure again, he not go left me. For please, no. I know about that. Okay. So no matter come over here, come go and like say, you know want come size up. Size up which part? Size up with who? Okay. Sit down and wait. You know go and sit down and blood clot wait. What now wish for go come? Yeah.
Chat, I look one somebody with 15 swan for the gallery.
When I look and said more baby
I look
pussy.
help. First gift times 3.
Chat, we are look help
Thank you.
1.2K on over here, chat.
First gift times 3. Come on, a chat.
1.2K on over here,
First
chat.
gift
Come in there.
times 3.
Show up a
I
score,
don't
chat.
more
Show up a
money gun,
score.
juicy for it, thank you. I don't more money gun, we not a galaxy.
Big up yourself.
Come on my side, use the first gift times 3. We not more money gun. We not more money gun my side. Can't go up on the board. What I tell we can't go up on the board.
Chopper! Like, hold on for that chopper, bro. I'm tired of telling the dog.
Hold on over prudent life. Hold on broke like a dog. Hold on on some shit house. 4.6 on over there. Not one on no make one. On no broke and think and shit. Oh, we listen to broke people. Make it make sense. Oh, we sit down and listen to people when they plan to put you somewhere. Go suck out to no mama. On a picnic. On a picnic big like me and Britney off. Go lick out to no my thing pussy. We don't just want to sit down on the girl live and tell the girl this and tell the girl. We don't listen to broke people. We just full of shit. We full of blood class shit like crab. Go lick out to no man. Jump off and no my thing pussy. Yeah, and you can go smoke one craving and go look up and no my thing bomba hole where you come from. Yeah, go find out if you don't know no correct pa. Some man not fuck on no one man. All dark shit wanna be. One bag of over there you can't make it happen. Go suck on no man. You rich and out. Suck on no man all full of chat over there. Chat 12 pounds cents on rose over here, so. Everyone on the cents on rose over here, so. All I want to send a rose over here, so I go on now go.
5 more.
All I want to send a rose are go, please and thanks. All I want to go and give to the angel, big up and big up me empress there. Big up all I want to balling, big up. Rest I want to rate me suck on the man go.
Yo, 5 I want to send one rose, now 5
1 point too much on over here, I can't catch one speed. And this is how now pussy. And this is that time I can't rate you know. And this is now I can't program. Suck on the mother. No, I can't program right. No.
Work together on my side.
No broke like dog, gonna think of shit.
God, work together. God and time.
No, come out to the shit up
play together.
One bomb clock chop up on the gun. Hold on, go for the chopper.
God and time.
Come shut off for
time. Come on my side. Play together. Play. We not no more money gun. We can't help out Chinese. We can't help out God and time. We not want to look up post. We can't help out God and time shot.
Somebody send more leopard there.
We can't use the glove shot.
You only type one chopper in a chat. Everybody type one chopper in a chat. I want to send more leopard.
We can't make something. Not the thank you.
Chosen by chosen by God. Yes, a Brit no know why you work. Why you work in a Brit life? Just for comment alone you work. Most of that alone you work. Sell whole girl. Big pussy
Everybody
girl.
type one chopper
All
in
when
a
I sell
chat.
a fuck every night. You can't send one donut over there. All when I send out your pussy. All when I sell out your pussy and I work nothing over there, girl. Suck your mama. Lick out them thing crutches. Why you work?
One for the gallery.
All this on your name, Amaya, doll. Go suck your man. Where were you? Go lick out your man, sell old girl. You big and think of shit. Be a batty man fucking in your pussy. This is one of your name, West Steve Green.
Like, what
I'm not follow up though because I'm broke and low life people alone like that. Rich people not talk enough. Broke people alone beat up them gum. Rich people not talk up enough. Come on, read the room. People with money not talk. Come in on my side. Show up the score there. Show up the blood clot score.
Chat, you know, beg on one leopard if you go in a gallery, bro. Won't not do that. When they say skin off on a bomb buckler team, and I laugh with no man, you know.
Thanks, shot.
One bag of over here. Why may I tell you now?
I know so she,
There's a bird over here, so.
I know so she, I bet.
One bumbo clock chop up on the ground.
I got 3.
Excuse me.
First gift time street chat.
One leopard, bro. Go on, one little piece of algorithm. You can mute one away, Rosalie. You can mute one away.
Chat first gift time street.
Bumbo clock. We give them piece of tune.
Chat, they're gonna sound.
That first gift time street. We have a wheel hungry. Madam Chime, stay good as. That first gift time street.
One bumbo clock chop up on the ground.
Uno full of a shit. Uno full of a shit. Uno love watch people. Uno real dark shit. Uno send out the bread. Uno send out the bread. Cause the bread we a look. Uno real dark shit. Uno real licky back. Uno some hold down. Uno maritime spirit. Uno maritime spirit. Uno real shit house. Uno now make your bread run. Uno now make your bread flow. Hey, let me tell you what I want.
Zozo
what I want. Uno real shit house. Uno fi come down now. Let me tell you what I want.
9 rows.
Just put a recharge.
But you're good.
Send the lion.
Yeah, man. You're good.
Just send the lion. Uno send the lion. Uno send the puss kitten. Uno send the meow meow. Uno send the meow meow. Uno send out the wheel. Uno send out the wheel. I send the puss kitten. I send the
That
puss
first
kitten.
gift time street.
All the one better than. Where you name be a fuck. If they come down now. Him a real dog shit. Hey boy better than. You get the puss kitten. And you start move like. You a dance for a girl. Hey boy better than. You a real shit house. You become down now. 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 I want KJ tours on the blood clot app. Hold on there. Hold on there, my side. KJ, big up enough.
That is the time stream. Triple chat.
Bumbo club, say oh my Donald, have a fun. Yeah.
That time stream.
Let me tell you what, go on. Over here, on Tictock. Me say the blood clot people.
Them
a real dark shit. Them a real shit.
Galaxy chat, we have 3 more galaxies.
You wanna follow the chopper, bro?
Let me tell you what, go on.
You can go 14.
You wanna know what, go on. E hot.
You wanna follow the chopper?
E hot. Uno a real shit house. Uno broke like dog. Uno want some bread. Uno not send the bread. Uno not send the lion. Uno not send the whale. Uno not send the post kitten. Uno not send the wheel. Uno fi come down now. Uno a real dog shit. Uno a real wagonist.
Papa gloves shot.
Uno a real shit pit.
Chat, you know they gonna want lion them, my blood clot fire.
Nah, give them no song free, man. They not no bread. Only when they have bread, me give them song. Currently at the moment, they not no bread. Only by FYP, me give them sound for run with more.
Chat, we go try upon the time stream. Chat, we go try upon the gloves.
Bumbo clock. Hold up.
Chat, we can't snipe. I look too much.
No, give me no bread away. I don't talk him to the
Snipe and get back a gloves shot. I go snipe and get a
No,
gloves.
I
I'm
send
gonna
no
roll out
bread
one
for the
lion
ground,
right
you
now
know.
and see what me in a bumbo clap place. I bet you much of the game.
All
We
like
now
a
have a
weekend
whale
going
chat, we
play.
can't snipe. Snipe my chat, we now have 2 galaxy.
We don't know
Snipe
bread.
my chat.
No, only full attack.
Snipe, 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 snipe. It's not look good. Tank shots.
There, we don't look for that chopper, bro.
Let's say paper picture
We don't
umbrella.
look for that chopper, bro. No. First point dog name and follow your dog. And the first a month, you know. And the social, you know.
He put us some of the rose tanks.
What do you mean? Hammer, beat out them inside.
Kevin, I can't make something, Kevin. Chat, I could use the ×3. Rank we are rank, chat, we not prank. ×3. ×3, ×3, ×3.
King David sits upon the heavenly throne. Hallelujah.
Man, I chat, we not want to go in the galaxy.
And the first a month, you know, they're gonna blood clot social, you know. Everybody type one chopper in a chat.
People business, I'll leave it alone. Hallelujah.
Watch your lion, watch your lion, watch your lion, watch your lion.
King David sits upon the heavenly throne. Hallelujah.
Top killer. Big up in a top killer.
Oh, Jesus. See people business and leave it alone.
Anyone type no fuck with lion right now, shut up for one minute.
Oh, yeah. Hi. Sarah Coffee, she's there for me. Hallelujah.
And then, we don't get no soup yet, you know.
Hey, why? Away I myself in you, Lord. Hallelujah. David sits upon the heavenly throne. Hallelujah.
Israel, take care, make one pusanti. Please.
Oh, Jesus.
Dear, you have to be a stud.
Business and leave it alone.
Dear, what man?
Hallelujah. Hi. Sarah Coffee, she's there for me. Why? Away I myself in you, Lord. Hi.
That you put me at first, no?
Send me go Jesus, my life.
That you put me at first, no, bro? They think me no know.
Send me till you right up with his wife, Lord. Hi. Send me no hear no voice and Come maybe hear you Zion play God. Sarah Papi, please play.
Come in on my side. They're gonna sound score the chat. No focus and they're gonna sound score.
Chat, we can't snipe, so we can't get a galaxy. But this is score no look good, yeah, so.
Oh, I don't say, it's a prudent, chill, show and chill, man. Show and chill, man, 14 family, you know?
Zozo, you love brit.
I mean, if I love my man, Rosalie.
Huh? That me know.
Chat to the big
She's
one, leopard,
royalty.
no?
So we not no more galaxy.
Chat to the big one, leopard, no, bro. You know one piece side.
Kill it, thanks.
My side, come in on my side. And the
One chopper in my chat. Yo, Prince Squad, big up yourself in my bro. You know a crime.
Chat first if gift times 3. Chat first gift times 3 when on a galaxy. Chat we can recharge 1.5 and put 2 money gun. Chat come with some donut no chat. Better try go up there boy. Chat first gift times 3.
Chat, show up a score, chat. Use a triple chat.
Chat on a money gun.
Only
No
can't
on a
over here be
galaxy.
talking, you know. Remember people who are old burden and do back talking, you know. So
Chat
no
double.
go on like a girl over here saying if you no come percent bread, just go on now go.
They're gonna use the car to go in this man, but I shoot. Fuck you
Chat
not
come
you.
with some
talking
donut.
now
If you
go
not
rare,
come with some donut and send
Those
some
are no
ananas.
come to support you live. Or no go on, come in and take no program from no boy and no girl. No boy and no girl can program my life. And me run my life. You understand? So none of you
Our
can tell me
belch.
what to do.
Who belch?
I chat, you
Who
know,
belch?
AI. Not for belch from the
Zozo,
dog
you
shit
dead,
them.
Zozo?
Not for belch in the dog shit them face. Let them go from here, so man.
Zozo,
And
you
then
not
come over
done?
here, so. Me don't know what then come over here, so the bag of talk for. Go on then, go on. Tap Frank on blood clot getting a people, one buckler argument. And get away from here. Leave from right here, sir.
Shot we look one donut
So
catch his
when me
speed.
go get back my wig?
You get weekend the time, baby.
Girl want to hear for the tomorrow. You're too bright when you go back from the girl wig.
Go
You
get
want
my week, man.
excitement.
Get one
Girl
week,
want to do
yeah,
a hear for
baby.
come our work.
Alright, my baby. Focus on the bread. Bread we are doing. When a week time, a week time. Can put on wig in the night,
Shot 10 rows.
We can put on wig now. If I can put on one wig now, I can put on here now, you know. Can put on here now.
Shot 10 rows catch his speed.
Beg if you beg and believe, man. Year one wash. Lose
Chat
out the
times
year.
2.
One lose out the year for wash out the year, man. That if you do go and pull it in a year, the man lose them, man. You want me lose them out for you?
I'm going to pull out of here also now.
Lose out the fame later, man.
That is it, my bro.
Chat double.
Chat begging us something over here, so chat.
Chat use a double. Nah,
Together,
money gun,
together
nah,
we
nah.
are Tictock universe.
Chat,
Boy,
show
this
up a
man look
score, chat, show
funny.
up a score. Show up a score.
Chat be gonna want universe then. We never say universe from me scream it, you know.
The only thing I can do a comment. I only thing that I can do a comment. Just spam a chat with comment.
Chat,
That's the only
we
thing I
try
know to
got
go on and do.
Chat, we can recharge 2 Galaxy 1 month.
Together we are Tictock
Yeah, I
universe.
don't know now. Bobby, I tell me for LOYM. Tell me that all on my face. Me box out the face, girl. What do you, baby? Prudent.
Yeah.
Alright. Put me on.
They go give me it.
I'm done my gate. Alright.
I better fuck you, huh?
No.
Oh? I fuck you want.
Fuck you want. Fuck you want.
How about that?
Go buy that one class at JB.
Me want.
No.
I fuck you want. Yo. That you want fuck. You must own
No,
it.
sir.
Yes, so no.
My side. Actually, 600 down over here in the chat. Only can
One
make
chopper
it
in a
4
chat.
past
One chopper in a
1,000.
chat. Only type one chopper in a chat. No.
But glad the people can't type to me. I couldn't take it. Chat thanks.
Chopper, body no me dog.
Can't
No
do
pussy.
better
No
blood
time.
clot.
One chopper on the ground.
Chat better
Chat some
pump
things
on the
can't left
triple.
me. No matter what they can't send me one wheel.
Oh, me behave myself, man. Good girl. I say, man. Me I behave myself.
No matter what they can't send me one wheel. Chat, you use the first gift times 3. No matter what they can't send me one
Use
little
the
wheel.
first time
You
straight.
can't get 2 money gun from
Hold on for the
Snaggy.
chopper.
Then this can go
Bumbo
look good. This
name
can look
gone.
good, chat. That's what look up over here. Chat, we can't get nothing more on the board.
Bad na TNT.
In chat, we can't get a money gun, we can't recharge.
Chat push up.
It's not look good.
Everybody type one chopper.
Big up yourself, you
No.
know.
One chopper.
No matter what they can't send me one wheel. I'm going to go through one blood clot biscuit to my papa show. To my right, if you drop it.
Chat push up a score, chat. Chat make your score look healthy. Just none, big up, you know.
The man name spell CHOPPA _4. Una type fuckery. Una type what me tell you for bomb buckler type. What fuck una the youth?
Bless
One
you,
chopper on the
bless
ground.
you.
You think a sushi? All blood clot. Hey boy Josh.
Come on, catch your speed, please.
Josh ready?
You can get 6 anat. 6 anat catch your speed, chat. 1 money gun and 6 anat. 1 money gun and 1 anat or 6 anat. 6 anat catch your speed, chat. Chat 1 5 more anat catch your speed.
One now show no
Una
info.
follow Josh. Everybody follow chopper.
Yo.
Go.
Fight bumbo clout.
See you.
Oh, what can I do with this? Not even the speed you can catch. Asa, Mr. Lily.
Josh, type it out name that. Wrong Josh. Hey boy name. You wrong Josh, cause suck out the mother. I type wrong Josh.
KJ, take me have a 96 my dog. KJ, so now money gun take me have a 96 my killer.
Fuck una the youth.
Or 1, 2 of them cap there. I don't know too much people sit down over here. And now show up a score. I don't know what kind of ball game them I deal with. Why don't stop abuse the girl, you know her.
Yo, professor.
Girl, me tell her this now, Scorpio. Go on here, go here. You say look like they look a dirty bar fly there, another yellow hat the way I have on. Favor them girl we are growing and fuck be a loose man. Better you take time and go on for answer to you know. Yeah.
Dog, no follow bougie.
Let's go on
Brit.
here, go here.
Brit.
No follow bougie.
Zozo abuse you?
You put your hands for me.
You don't know if you lick him back.
Me came back.
Okay.
So I wanna go for la bougie, pretty in pink.
I too money mo gun me a look. Someone love people business too much. That's the truth. Big pussy L-I-A, stop short the life. Go on about this man, I'm on my life show. Yeah, man. Love people business too much. And they wanna show me have me a black cone. Go on, man, that love people business too much.
You're sexy. The wig here all sexy. See wig here sexy, look. The front part lace, see lace.
Yeah. You dog said I could buy a 35-inch bus now.
See it. Here
Alright, then, what's the part?
Then those are say you have the girl with bad half her head.
Chat shoot! Bumbo clan.
It's also
9.4K.
We did it done already, Rosalie. And it me just take you off my head.
me did done, me never did start.
9.4K.
The wig did done already.
I can't get a lion. Chat to me send more lion, bro. Bumbo ass clot. Me never get a lion for me on Tictock. 55 years now.
To all your tear off that it can't fix back, it have to go sew.
Hang up that phone then. Tell us somebody else to come on for your phone.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Wait, let me have a look for you.
Top killer, big up, you know.
Chat with my money gun.
Chat big on something, bro. Bumbo clan, watch Bumbo clan, want somebody.
Top killer, big up, you know.
Bougie. Pretty in pink. Sparkle in my wheel, bro. I'm gonna give back out of my insurance when me dead. Me not dead still, but I say. Me follow 750,000 United States American dollar. Beg something now, bro. But I control the chat. Me can control the people on bomb buckler type. I may hold their phone. Only said one bomb buckler lion.
Top killer, big up, my G.
Those of them have the call police by your night. And I go hack.
Where's it going?
From a car police by you.
Plan for call police.
No car police by you. Yeah. Chat boy, one money gonna get your speed. Chat one eye. Son.
Chat one money gun. Chat to wave the rifle. Wave it.
But you use a double chat.
3.4K and nobody can send my money gun. When they start looking at my bomb buckler face.
Come on. Brit big one money going to catch your speed, me go get to play the game, my girl. I saw the match you play. What's up?
Nah,
for the chopper.
look for the
We're running for the bougie. Pretty in pink. We're running for the bougie. Pretty in pink.
And just looking at the comment section of the people.
Exactly.
Foolish. Have the comment section. Comment section have already that way. People who not give him nothing have it that way. So look a dirty girl. Go over the gift badge and a comment. Oh, Britney, I don't know what this Britney. I just that him I look on Rosalie. He now focus on people and only manipulate him brain. And now put nothing up on him table. Something will happen over and over. Learn about buckler to idiot people them. Over fear life alone then can go and do the sickness thing.
That big one money gone.
Top killer, big up to you, top killer. For the on the ground, same way,
Didn't let the people them in a relationship. Let's let people them in a relationship.
Together we are
I beg you, I
Tictock
beg you.
universe. Chatty, we're on follow Chopper. We're on follow Bougie. Pretty in pink. We're on go follow Prophet. I'm my uncle for two in a real life. Who win?
Every the one leave, she leave long time. Let the people them.
7.3K on the dog. We're gonna go follow Chopper and follow Bougie. No. I follow Prophet.
No, bro, that's a silent game we play, bro. Just a run so normal, man.
Bougie, by the way, now, your Prophet, your Chopper them. Dog, I can't believe the out of 4.7K on the dog. Nobody can say more lion. I wanna do that. When we just come and say, look out on the blood clot here.
No.
Who press for the lion?
I never know.
We can do better, man.
But I don't friendly people them. Johnny smell look one lion. To somebody can say more lion. But
Big us up on the tripper. Top killer, I can't drop one line in the night, my dog. Top killer, I can't beg a lion, my killer.
we now no moderator but they can't send one wheel.
Don't say no
We now no
lion.
moderator you can't send one. Boy, my mother can't send one wheel.
Don't say
One
no
from
lion.
Chat one lion, bro. Size them up now.
Where did you get that from?
No, is the timing, bro. Where me when you get it from? They have it.
No, the time is they shut up.
If you don't get no lion,
Yeah. I say Baladan. So ball. I want bread. Say more. Weak. Hey. Him, oi. Don't you load his head back. Hey. I say people have run. Say run the people them to blood clot. I say. But them make beat over there and a ball and inside for you. I say Bangla cussing people them. Hybrid me blood clot one that run the people them. Excitement done. Hey, you know, easy, you know? Me say, you boys hoes, but you know, easy a blood clot.
Right now, if you want them come, you want to make them come back, Rosalie. You
like,
want
who don't put up the bumbo clot screen and like, what do youth?
Eh?
I can't take a type in that something I look.
Right now.
Yeah.
You want them come back better than?
Me no want them bunny.
You want them come back?
And they make, because they didn't have no lion, and they happy.
Brian, I can't go and go start cuss Brit again. Just start trolling him and cuss him around there. Just start cuss him around there.
No man, low Brit, bro.
No man, I don't have to cuss him for real as in the real cussing. Remember I plan we are planning.
Oh.
Remember I 4 with up on the screen no say that cussing are real. I go see how dog belly them come back.
So you plan that. So I plan to tear off woman rig one day.
Right now we can plan one
Ain't
next
our planning.
again. We can plan it now again. Right now we can plan it now again.
Planning when we get to a lion, they broke. I never get a lion on TikTok yet, you know.
Alright. Purple, come for my shit. Just go and chat me up. Eh? See there. Just go and chat me up. See the prudent. Let me get my shit. Boy. Don't chat now.
Brit chop in a bombo.
See there. Take off it. You have my shit there, put.
Chop him in the neck. Where blood not go stop flow.
I don't know if you use it when.
What's blood clot? Hey. Hey. Chihuahua, am I not safe if I chop up in blood clot?
Brit, go beat him and shake on the back drop.
I'm not do it, you will go to prison, yeah? Oh.
You know, bro, you come like Brit one back a wig. Brit, tomorrow your dog or Craig going to be a town, go do your wig, man. New wig. 40-inch, bust down. Bland. 13 by 6, 360 density.
You want one of them one, baby? We catch you down in your back. Something I can haul.
You're not laughing as well. Go practice right now.
You ain't happy, man. You want a kiss, baby? Oh, go on, kiss.
I'm going to practice, sir. Go on now.
Go on wrangler, bro. Make people them see you and just violence alone, bro.
Come for that kiss, baby. Come for that kiss, baby. Now come for that kiss here. Come.
Thanks, chat. But then I shoot a blood clot, Mr. Phillips.
I want chopper, I want bougie, you know. Chat me send me something, dog.
No, man, you don't want no kiss, man. I just, give Prudence one, man. Prudence
When I think
one,
about
no
what
kiss.
up scream, dog. What make some money go then?
That's the one, thank you. Chat, we look some gift on the board. Chinese, thank you. Chat, we look some on the board. We don't have more money going, we don't have no galaxy.
Want a leopard.
Somebody can't, me not, no matter can't send more wheel.
Somebody send me one leopard right now. I'm telling you, say, I'm shoot up your place.
We not, no matter can't send no one wheel. Violet, I can't be one puts Violet. So also A wants the blood clot is snuggle.
Oh, come on that camera! Kissing Brit, see my come. What I do?
Why you for coming in and
Alright, baby.
Kiss her no zozo. Bobo. Only love can hurt like this. Ross, wrong song. Sorry. Wrong song.
I don't business with them. Oh?
Wrong song. You want me to spit in your mouth.
Watch out, one. So if you go up on the boat to blood clot, and me I tell you, say, my team them just sit down for me so when them blood clot already.
That boat I cheap and 5K on the dog. No one can send more bomb buckler leopard dog. See if you look the gift gallery. One leopard. Any man send me a leopard right now, I shoot up a place. With that.
Tita, thank you. We don't have more money gun chat, we don't have more want some help. Now my mother tell them can't send me one wheel. So look good. So that's how I come out of people relationship.
Chat
On
begging
our,
or something there.
on our shame.
One lion right now, I'm race out the world 33, dog. Me I tell you no, dog.
Wow, only just stagnant in our comment section. Only come like an empty buckle me left in a party. Rubbish. I don't know. I want to full of so much talk.
Dog, if you cheaper in 5 hours, what top is screaming, you know? Would have reached blood class 7,000, you know? We're gonna suck out to the granny, you know? And come out for this, you know? Come on, frost off of me, dog.
Me one pussy not in a better than back down.
Me don't live with animal.
I live with a fat woman. Lady named Miss Pam.
Bumbuckle and Navidad, you can't rise up on a wheel, bro.
Two of them
Not
you
below
live
that.
with.
Not below that, dog. Not
Better
below
than
that.
show people make it two. Show people me two woman them I live with.
Eh?
Show them two cat them we have in there.
Come like you're in farmer, you.
Where I do that? Where I do that big black American woman there?
What?
If fat woman I'm say do I evening.
You never see when the fat. Dog, you never see when the fat money. You feel like me a bumbuckle and take what's left.
No, I see it down at the supermarket with the lady.
That's your wife here, cheap.
Put it up on the line.
Wow. You don't say.
Rosalie, you look like you're tired, Rosalie. You want to sleep?
Nah, get nothing.
That mechanic
Belting
man.
rich in a Rosalie. Belting in a Rosalie.
Chat, me and beg you no one leopard. Chat, when you press upon the gift so
Me I try go on the board
and
man
press
can't.
leopard and send it come give me. One leopard, please, and thank you. Anybody
Begging
will
us
see one
something, please,
leopard right now.
on the tripper.
You go see what.
Chat begging us up
Me
on
I
the
try go
tripper.
on the podium and can't go.
Chat begging on lie in the chat done big up, you know. Chat begging us something on the tripper, the chat.
Can you follow me? Send me one leopard no? And you will see. You press the follow button fast, you fuck.
Not even two galaxies. That's the one.
Can you send me one
Alicia.
leopard no, bro?
No better me than you. Go and look at me eye.
That's what I mean.
So Rosalie, and nobody for take down Rosalie.
The boss said send me one leopard the graphics down.
Me not do them the work. Me go
Give a piece of cloth.
me go leave it. Make it take down people.
And nobody where you want me take down for you.
No. More take down at 2 lion.
Okay.
What do you mean by you can't?
That's what it's
For the
on 2
people,
lion right now.
I may have rifle.
Suzy Q, stop share the live night now, please. We don't want to dump it on me over here.
Chat,
At
I'm
10
not going to
minutes
want
to
to
10.
leopard there, bro.
Come in on my side. 10 minutes to 10, chat. Begging us something there.
10 minutes, 11 o'clock. Chat, you're not going to want to leopard there, bro.
All 400 down over here, son, and just a comment, so. Only love comments, so.
Give me leopard now, I do the right thing.
Only so friendly with one another. Only don't even know who the back of the page, I'm only just a spam on one
You want
another.
a piece of cloth?
Chat. That now I'm going to work over here, so, you know.
What's it? Give me leopard right now, I'm a dark up a place for you. Share food. Share food. Share food. Send the lion. Send the whale. Send the whale.
Boss lady, and I know wheel over the boss lady. See, boss lady come to change the ball game for me. Boss lady come out and
Free bless, I can't beg one wheel. Just so boring. The score now move. Brit now say nothing. If I go with unlimited, they can't beg one. Boy, unlimited boss. You're 2-1 from it. But I beg you.
Know yourself. Tomorrow your dog put in a 40-inch bust down. You see me? Yes. Yo, that's a delete TikTok and go on Instagram, bro. Five lane dogs in here. Reach your fob.
I'm here, zozo.
See, them people that turn up over here. Money glued on in them pocket.
Yo, boss, you know one piece side. You know one piece side algorithm. I know it's the time, you know.
Yeah, I wonder how them are wait, man.
Race out piece I will, dog. Me tell you, by a man in which 10,000 followers, dog. No, which will? Lion, me for say.
Me gone.
Alright, Rosalie.
Alright, Rosalie.
Let me baby. Can't get nothing over there. Seven minutes to 10. I take up. I do that. Take off. I do that. Do a 360. When I walk out, tell me a free strat. Tell me thank you. We don't no more galaxy. Tell me thank you. Thank you, my baby. Anybody can't tell me I show another galaxy I want money gone. This don't look good. What we are gonna do? We can't be the problem for the money, so them pack their money. That's no sauce, so here you go. And I lie. Okay, and be the people them for the money out of them pocket, my love. We just have to know it's so we go. It's not look good. Kelly sweet. Try to do when you can send me it. Anything at all. I don't know, please don't share the live. I'm here black 2 people. Nothing I keep. So be it. Oh, be it. Tita, thank you. I don't want black women, I don't share the life. Excitement over here, man, I chat people business. Not doing that. So if it not happen and it not occur, we go and look. What we are going to do now is go and look at the way. We can't do nothing more than that. We can't do nothing more than that. We are trying to recruit 2 moderators, but it not work out. Waiting for attention. Good old being as big as one wheel. Good pussy bling as big as one wheel. One ballers, I can't get some one ballers. It's a look good. Like when I get no, when I argue, when I cuss, when I fuss, when I fight. And I can't make one wheel. But Kelly Joe, she a come from in the night. And Kelly Joe, where you a come from? And Kelly Joe, where you a come from? The pussy fatty that you shot. What am I crave for June plum? And salt. Yeah. June plum, my love. Look at the water, make it rich. I think I when Kelly Joe send me one, Kelly Joe, you can't get something. No, you can't give me. Nobody be gonna want meat, please. Everybody be gonna want meat. Something I me eat, that joke me. Everybody be gonna want meat. When I'm the majority can be gonna want whale. I gotta be the one you love. I'm comfortable now, blood to that. Everybody be gonna want meat. Cause I will always love you so. Chop, tell me a freeze. One time gonna back, my breast nipple them did full of milk. My breast them did full of milk. Yeah. Thank Father God, my breast them, I have dumb breasts. Everybody be gonna want meat. Get cash out and buy one stay free.
Here where your son say, here where your son say, we can make a play one recording where your son say. Your son say a pops YG take them. Make play the way your son say.
Yeah.
Yeah, mama rich. So much on I can't get to our money going. Yeah.
No less than 50.
Yeah,
And
I
when
should
he
have put
get
that team.
15,
Him
he
embarrassed you. That's
torment
true.
me. As anybody. And he get 15 torment me and his daddy.
So when you get 15 torment, you and your father?
But
Yeah, make
Miss
her say no.
Claudette, him say him Pops YG saying thief him phone what them iPhone
Yes, he
17
said,
Pro Max on him
yeah.
phone.
I like Pops a tell pa me pick me.
That's what he said. That's why he said
Like
Yeah, that's
he's
a
the one
Pops
that
pop
stole.
tell.
say.
That's what he said. That's why he said he's the one that stole my stuff.
Yeah, that's a pop say for true, Miss Claudette. You have to go deal with it now, Miss Claudette. You have to deal with it. That's a pop say. I'll close him same thief.
I lie.
Yeah.
Guys, me say I lie. I'm going to tell you something putting away people clothes.
Listen, Miss Claudette, listen.
Be a little shagga with bomb up like that. You take away from where? Take that to them. See a little war them there. So see this look there. I miles them and them man. Then you them militant you them bro. You be a little look you. Look at that. Man, for the thing that brother. I want to get kid road dog.
How would they say I go kill a road? Man,
One over Jabba.
oh yeah.
Till me tired like I'm little brother. Me talk police man till me tired. Scheme man talk till me tired. With both to talk till me tired of your pops. Pops if you go out fight
Pops
you.
my talk.
I'm
For the man speak name and
Yeah.
say kill a road.
gonna find something to do. Go in there and the police will come there. The fucking dog shit you get to. Scheme boss. You know no sense. Scheme boss. We have one figure you know, so make sure you come check. Scheme boss, tell him to suck out your mama. And that because scheme boss. Me have one phone. Oh, tell some man brother.
Yeah, but just by saying I want poor people. Hey, me tell you something.
Miss
I people
Claudette.
lie to me, you know, that me I tell you. Cause he knows say me crystal ball turn up. Me don't go and see my accent. Me I got Jamaica, you know.
Oh my God!
Me I got Jamaica.
Yeah, Miss Claudette, you have to go find out what really happened. Because we want to know what happened too. We want to know who thief if for
Me I got
real.
Jamaica.
Yeah, you have to find out, man. You have to find out. Because we want to know who thief. Because Pops, I tell we pay lie and Pops meet the girl them. And your son meet them at Pops.
Me I got Jamaica.
Yeah.
I don't tell you what me I make you go see me at Jamaica.
No, me follow you right now, Miss Claudette. Follow me back. Me follow you. So anytime you be at Jamaica, you make me know. Follow me back, Miss Claudette.
Me I got Jamaica. The blood clot I come. Me don't want nobody tell me about Obia. Me I Obia myself.
Jesus Christ.
So Miss Claudette, you got help me find. You got help me
Tell
find
me
them.
no lie because if I'm thief, he might go shame me time of need.
So where the Miss Claudette, me gonna ask her. You got help me find them then.
Me say, if I'm a picnic of you, I have to get him back.
So suppose a Pops thief and I tell like
Miss Claudette, you sound very confident in us.
I don't care. Me say for Anthony thief, him have to get up.
So suppose a Pops a thief and I tell like pa Anthony.
Me know all pops, him better careful when I tell like pa my blood clot, he might go on a 10-wheeler.
You know hear me say if you go suck you, Miss Claudette. You never hear Pops. You never hear Pops.
You know hear me I listen it.
Yeah. Him a disrespectful to you, Miss Claudette. Very disrespectful.
But also, Miss Claudette, he put your family in a situation.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you that brawling.
That boy there.
Miss Claudette, you have a daughter with a bar. You have a daughter with a bar.
You have a daughter with a bar, Miss Claudette?
Yeah.
Me just tell her brawling. Me just tell her brawling.
Stacey, I say no more because my blood a boil.
No, man, my daughter can't hear no problem. Nobody can do my daughter.
Go call him and come back.
But what I'm saying is the situation is there now. People are pointing finger upon himself.
Yeah, Miss Claudette, go call him.
No, what Claudette talk say now?
Go call him and
I wonder if they know who them I talk to.
And if you know who you talk to.
Okay, so we don't.
What I know my thing. On my thing.
Well, I'm my stuff them. Miss Claudette, I'm talking to you very respectfully and I'm telling you.
May I listen, you, darling? I'm going to go to the bottom of it and
may I tell you that, yes, sometimes you as a family don't know what your family members are doing, and I'm telling you on the live, as a woman, as a female, as a daughter, as a granddaughter, I'm telling you, this situation is bigger than you think.
Miss Claudette, you have to go call him and make him know, say, ask him what happened.
No, man.
Yeah. Call him now, Miss Claudette.
I'm going to find out how this Number one, me I wait till my husband come from work, his father, and we are going to call.
The girl
Yeah,
and
call
stuff.
him and find out and make
So,
with yeah,
I
cause
don't know
this
the
not.
pan give back the girl and stuff. If I know him take you, oh man,
I
we are
not
going to
say
see for
him
him
auntie
take
and
you.
No, we
him me
not
attack.
say
Me
him. We
just
have
a say in
to,
general auntie.
yeah, because Pops really a steer him. They play one
Right.
whole heap of
The
message. The
pop
Pops
not
a
say
steer
him do
him.
a lot of things. Just say all of
Yeah,
them tell life on them one another.
yeah. But
Yes,
we
I in
want,
thief
yeah.
in saying thief in phone what they are to say him take the
And
stuff.
Anton, any phone that the pitney have me buy a game.
But Miss Colette, I love your boy, man. You
Make
love him,
my,
take your
and he say one crown and me buy a crown game. And he tell me say, oh no, we want change and me a change it.
You spoil him, man, Miss Claudette.
Me dear.
I'm a one boy pitney.
I first one or the last one.
I'm a baby.
Jesus, Miss Claudette, you spoil him bad. You spoil him, but he
And he
must
say
don't make
one
him.
house and me a make a game.
Him spoil bad, man. Him spoil bad. He can't do
You
that to
know
you,
see the
though.
house and me a make game.
No, I'm not see it. He big.
Oh, you didn't see
While I
Dotty?
swear
Yeah.
for like one.
Oh, you didn't
Serious.
see.
And not that the matter, the girl want back her stuff.
But she
Me
said
no
she will
busy.
ask. She said she will wait till her husband come
Me
from
da
work.
America. Young miss, me da America. Me a pass
Yeah.
through TikTok.
I'm
And
not
me see, me hear you not calling name and me stop. Me don't know nothing, you know. Me don't know nothing because me not supposed to hear in name a call about thief. And it strike me and me stop and me say, I'm gonna find out how this thing goes.
A good, and that's a good thing you do as a mother. That's a good thing because you hear,
Me come
you
over
hear,
here,
yeah.
no. Me come over here, go hear my boy, I tell him, say, if you come suck me out and this and that.
Yeah. You was respectful. A long time you don't dare tell me if you add you know, you have a question. A long time you never be disrespectful. Trendy mute.
Trendy mute.
How much ring they thief for your young miss?
3 ring and 1
Let me
necklace.
tell you exactly what was stolen. 3 sentimental rings and 1 bottle of Moet, a bottle of Patron, and about 20 packs of cigarette that my friend brought down from the UK. That was it.
What time him father come from work? Yeah, him father fi hurry up. Cause this him father. He not tell him father and him mother no lie, man.
And he also came on the live today and threatened me. So if it wasn't for that's why it's escalated very, very big. Because him come on live today and he came and he threatened me. So if I never certain man when on the ear upon the live today, right? So
Him mother cannot take care of him so good. Every week he collect money and I get all it. You get all new car. You embarrass your mother so crown boss. That not look good.
oh yes, and my chain as well. So to be honest, me not even think about the chain because it's just because the chain lie. Me not even think about the chain. For sure, I'm not even think about the chain.
And they ring them. She said them sentimental. Her father, you know, your
I'm
father.
not even a think about it. Me not even think. Yeah, for sure, so me not even care about the chain like that.
Yeah, and they
So
ring them.
get your ring off of your finger.
My dear, I came home from a party and I put the rings them on the table in my space that I invited them into.
Okay.
When I woke up the next morning, all the stuff them that I listed just about maybe less than a minute ago, disappeared. So I took my rings off my finger after the event and put it in my space, in my private space. But you already know that I had a TikToker in my space that I didn't expect for anything to go missing.
Yeah.
So I saw me trust people and whatever.
Jesus
And that happened.
Christ, what a disgrace.
Yeah.
Big disgrace. And your son piles up don't heal you like him by.
What that person say?
Yeah, that's my British friend across there. She's talking about her cigarettes that was taken.
But miss, you keep on saying your son, your son, your son, and you don't know if I'm taking.
But I
Remember
have to
now.
go by. I have to go by him. What him friend. I have to go by from him friend. When friend saying friend, that's what his friend says. He's known for that. That's what his
If
friend
friend say
says.
I'm taking cigarette, I'm taking ring them, I'm taking chain, and what
Yeah,
else?
the friend. Cause remember, say I don't know them from anywhere in the squad. That
I'm
says the
take
friend
everything.
says. Yeah, the friend is saying that he's the one that is responsible. Yeah.
Jesus,
And the two of them did that, that's why the two of them name of a call.
Me can't wait for Melbourne.
So Miss Claudia, me I go ask if you pull out the crystal ball from the cupboard. Anywhere
Me
that the
not
crystal
no,
ball,
me not
pull out
no
the crystal.
crystal ball in my cupboard. You know, you trust me.
But Miss
You
Claudia,
not,
you just say I have a crystal
me
ball. So me
say
ask
the
them.
crystal ball high. You not gonna tell me some pull you out of cupboard.
Oh, me never know. Me just say if you pull up, me need the crystal ball to come
Me say you
forward.
can't lie to me, 'cause I know say my crystal ball high. So
Oh,
me say I'm gonna repeat it again.
okay.
And if I'm thief your stuff, or if it's somebody else, if it's somebody else me attack, you have to give up the stuff then. Because me not join that.
Good.
Because you know no reason for do that to nobody picnic. If people then come on vacation and then come, you know lucky them put one
That
in
me
a
to
day.
Miss
that me
Claudia,
take
we
it
never come on a
self-made.
vacation.
That me
Miss
take
Claudia,
it
just say we come on
self-made.
vacation.
And
Vacation.
me never say vacation. What do you
She
mind,
said
girl? Me no
vacation,
joke, you know.
vacation, she
Ah,
Me
said.
no joke, you know. Me no laughing.
no,
She
Because
no,
this
no.
said,
a
Me
this,
oh,
not
Miss
perfect.
Claudette,
cause this
Miss
a
Claudette,
disgrace.
Miss Claudette. Them say Crown Boss live.
Cause
The
this
pan
The
a
live
TikTok.
disgrace.
liar.
Let me go call this little bumbo clad boy. Cause I'm
I'll
saying
come
enough
back.
with
Playing live,
disgrace.
Chero playing live.
With
When
disgrace.
name?
What the live names? What the live name?
Come back, Miss.
Alright, dog.
Miss Claudia,
All
go
right, Miss
call him
Claudette,
and
go on
come.
over there. Go on over there, Miss Claudette. Yeah.
Me
No, mommy like
dear.
Miss Claudette bad.
Island. Miss Claudette kill me. One thing
One
she has
Crown
swear for
Boss. One
Crown
Crown
do.
Boss, Chero.
Middle of the circle, but on self-made. You want to? Me can't
Island.
bother.
Me and I chatting with this a blood clot woman I know. Cause I don't know what she fuck she a tell me about bumbo clot crystal blood clot ball. I just meet there in front of some of them pussy, you know me turn them over already. Cause me and I chatting. You can't tell we about blood clot what be girl.
So for over mother, St. Mary or St. Anne.
Son, son like
No for
liar,
over.
it came. Give me a piece of it came.
Ice.
Say me belly. Why? Me tell her say, wanna cheer me up tonight.
All him over there do a smoke. 27 people over there. His mother call him. His mother call him liar for sure. His mother.
I'm like mother.
Yeah, his mother call him.
No, like me like Miss Claudette bad.
I'm out
See me go.
sauce,
You see
I'm
me,
out
you
Yeah,
see
me
me
sauce.
pan
like
a one
St. Mary.
chuck.
St. Mary them come
I'm,
from blessed child.
I'm out.
Unna load up the thing pan the live, man. No call no Obeah man name over here, man. No keep it down. We don't want nobody go ask nobody and for find nobody.
Say I'm
Mother
out
call
sauce.
Unna
Yeah,
him.
she
call up
not
nobody
stop
name.
swear. She not stop swear for him here. Oh, don't know what him thief it.
Well, and there. Listen, if you can find the man alive.
His mother said for end the life, yeah. His mother make him end it.
We can get a 3-piece original.
His mother make him end the life.
But if you listen to him mother, I want him money this week. If you don't listen to him mother, I now get the money. And he want a new crown. So you better listen to him mother.
So the mama come now, dear.
Can I wait for Miss Claudia because she'll come back. Me wait for now. And
No,
mama's boy,
sir.
if they on TikTok, I go like them a bad boy and mama's boy them. I wanna see
Mama's
them.
boy. Crown of
Mama's
mama's
boy them.
boy.
You see that? Mama's boy.
My lady said them boys saying one next crown. And she have to go buy the next crown. Yeah, yeah.
Buy my
No, she
phone.
sound all and she have
No,
to
she said she
work
have
your
50
mind.
yard. She said she have
She's
50
not 50
yard.
at stop it. The
The
She
woman
a
man
worth
work
sound
50 at that.
hard.
And
older
Crown
than
Boss
that.
at 38. Crown Boss
Yeah,
at
she said she have
38, you know.
50 yard. She said she have 50 yard. That's what she said.
Well, she must be 59
Yeah, she said
because
she have 50 yard. Come on, man,
well,
you
if
leave
she have
Miss
50
Claudette
other,
alone. Leave Miss Claudette.
we're
I'm
not
one Miss Claude.
traveler.
Trendy. One of you better England. Come on,
The
Miss
one over
Claudette,
there,
come
England.
back.
My day for support my London friend them and my England friend them with them teeth, them
Yeah,
chain
Gary.
and them ring. The fuck?
English people
When
for the blood
Maisha
clot
there?
live now.
When Maisha
Yeah.
there?
I'm
When
here to
Maisha?
support my British mates that they stole their
I trust
jewelry.
them.
What you
Yeah.
mad?
Yes, baby girl.
She said when she sent him $50, 50,000, he mad and cuss.
If you not mind shop, me and them all in the same round robin them a week time. Don't ramp with we.
Yeah, crowd boss, you shame your mother. No man talk man to play them thing. Then they don't want a thief call upon them pitney name. Big and
It's
serious.
true at
Worse
the
if
end
she
of
a
the
support
day.
him, she no want that. 60
Yeah.
odd, she said, oh, I think a 50 odd. Yeah.
Oh.
Worse if she a support him, she no want that.
Yeah,
Cause she
she
probably a
not
work hard,
60s and
yeah.
not work
Yeah,
for
some
mind the
no,
big
no,
man the
yeah. If she
door.
has support him, she don't want that pan because she said anything you notice that like everything when him ask her for, she said she a give him it. Notice she said everything when him ask for, she said she a give him it. So him not supposed to do that. She a bill all house for him.
Yeah, she
And you see them in parents still together because she say him father come from work, so you see him grow up in a one two parent household. Here she say when his father come from work.
Well, Miss Claudette, from him dead, him name Africa.
Yeah, but I saw them pitting they bad. I saw them pitting they bad. Man said he said I want 50,000 the boy screw.
So him get 200,000 a month.
More
Plus him
like
have
at
car and
least. She
driver.
say 100,000 get. She
She
said
ever go
at
put on them
least.
50, she ever go put on them 50-50 every week because she gonna need it.
She said at least 15 get. She said when he get 15 mad.
Really?
She gonna need it. And she
How
thinks she
much
can come up.
how much
She think
US about
he thinks she could
$600
have come
a
over here
week
to
she a
come frighten
sending.
the wee about. She can't think she could have come over here to come frighten the wee about Obia. Yes, it's a me have to
I told
laugh
about
and
crystal ball. We are told about
can't
crystal
come over here
ball,
to come
fam.
frighten nobody about Obia
Anthony,
girl.
she call him to call
Yeah,
Anthony.
Anthony should
Tony,
You know,
call
you she
yeah.
a talk like so she a pick up fame. She know about
No, I
him.
mean I think she a pick up. No, I mean I think she a pick
She a
up
pick
things.
up fame.
No,
She
but
come
she
like
said
She
she's
was
Ali.
no, I
swearing
don't
for
think
him. She
so.
that
I don't
swear
think
say her
so.
son don't thief. She that
She just
swear.
Yeah, she did
yeah.
She
swear.
was
She did
swearing for him.
swear.
No,
Look.
she has said him no need for teeth because she said that she come to the money and she said she's sending money every week.
No, she said that as well.
Oh, she a
She
go say
said he
Pops
don't
a
Yeah.
need
liar.
to as well. But
No,
she
she
was
never pick up. She
Pops
never
not
pick
him
up
a friend.
fame.
Pops must know
more
where
than
what him
two
a do.
No, she
occasions
never
she
pick
was
up fame.
swearing that he didn't do it. More than 3 occasions she swore that
No,
he
she
didn't
never.
do
Exactly.
it.
I don't think she pick up fame. No,
No,
she
I
has
did.
said
I had to.
she has said she not saying him do it because she don't know if him do
See, yeah,
it.
but she said
No,
if
she
him do
said that
it,
as
but
well.
she did
Yeah,
say if he does it, we
yeah.
gonna
She said
find
she
out. She
not.
did
Yeah,
say
She
that.
she
she
said
just has said
all
she
of
not.
that.
She said she not saying him do it because she don't know. But if him do it, him not need to do that because she sending money every week.
Yeah.
And
And
she
she said
said,
she a go find out. She
uh,
never swear
no, she
fame.
said
Liar.
all of that, but
Liar. I
during the
bet she a go
conversation,
come
she
back come
kept
tell me pet
swearing
them.
when we were saying that he done it. And what she said, no, not we. When time the story did that, she said, no, him not do not, him not. Yeah, she said all of everything that you said.
No, me
Of
never
he
get that
didn't do
from
it.
her. I get it from her. She has
Well,
say
she a
she
go come
not
back
say
come tell
him do
me
it
pet them.
until yeah. Me not.
She
I
a
never
go
get
come
that
back come
from
Me
tell me
her.
even
pet
text and
them.
say Claudette, you swear for
She
him
said
though.
yeah. She not. Me
Me
not
even
something
text
there.
and say Claudette, you swear
Because
for him though.
she has say the whole of them are liar. Cause the whole of them are afraid. We know pops are liar too. But me not. I don't see her as swearing. She said she not gonna say he do it because she don't know if him do it.
And that's why I say if him
And,
did
and,
dead,
and
that's
as
why
our
I'm name of a
son, you
car
gotta
time
talk
did
to
dead
your
here.
child first. We have to understand, that's her child. And if you are send your child money every week, buy him car, buy him phone, everything, of course, naturally, you're gonna want to talk to your child first. Come on, I woman son in and she say her one son and her last picnic. Come on, we have to look at it from her perspective also. She never come and just start bash her son so and saying
If
TV.
we move up
No
our
one
blood
said
clot, I talk
she
about things
No,
should.
that
you
can't
can't.
be
We
done.
can't
I
say
want to do
No
that.
this.
one
Have
never
to,
said she
What you
should
yeah,
do
mean,
she have to
liar,
Oh,
nothing.
speak.
nobody
liar?
can do
Say
it. Claudette, I
she
want to do
No,
was
it.
she
I'm
have to
picking
ready.
up
talk to
for
her
him.
child first. That's her
No one
child.
said she was
No,
picking up. No one said
no.
she shouldn't.
And when
We
pops
were,
I said, yeah, no, we have to no, we can't say that. And the woman pitney that. She have to talk to her pitney first.
no, yes,
Yeah,
obviously she's gonna
yeah.
talk for. But her child did that which part the crime go down.
I
Send name of
understand,
a
but remember, say
call.
she don't know nothing about them being together. She don't know the situation, She's new to it. She a pass the live and hear Crown Boss name a call. We have to understand. This is the woman pitney. Nobody know why you say them pitney a thief. Pan big
Start back
TikTok.
in life, so look like his mother will come.
Yeah. Nobody
Yeah,
no
he
want
start
hear
back in
that.
life,
Nobody no
auntie.
want hear that. Nobody no want hear that.
Nobody
You
know
can't hear the
over
woman
there.
say a disgrace. You know hear the man say a disgrace this. And she know they are Jamaica. She a pass the live and hear her name, Cause she, long she a typing on me comment. And me I say,
That's
where you
what.
want comment? And me say to her, I say, go over Chero. And then when she said me a crown boss mother or something like that, she say, and me say, Ratin, make she come up. A long time she done their type. Me see her comment. A long time she a
Him
type Claudia.
again.
Yes, a long
Let her
time.
go sleep for God work. Cause she forgot buy a
And she
new
keeps saying,
crown.
she have a question. Because she never know she does make sure if her picnic we are talking about, cause she hear crown boss, she never sure if her kid. We a long time, me see the comment, Claudette Lynch, me see it long time. I mean, I say, what the woman that keep saying she have a question? No, me not get that from her. And we have to understand, as your child, especially your child, you're not gonna come and just take suicide, so I say start bashing and
Nobody
start.
never say she
No,
a take our
no.
side lawyer. You nah listen to
Yeah,
we
but she
neither. She
kind
said
of pick up
everything, but she
feel
did not
No,
like.
pick
but
up
she
feel
right
to
woman son. She
lawyer.
don't want to believe the woman don't want to believe her pitney a thief.
That's
She not
Nobody no
raise
want
no
true.
believe
thief.
that. But guess what,
Exactly. So she
God?
have to talk to her
What him
son.
and Pops are do at the same place with
But
thief
I am
call. So
saying
why
to
to
you,
call
she
pan
don't know
Pops and not
all
to
of
call
that.
pan him?
Trendy. She don't know all of that. She don't understand what I want. She don't know
She
all of
listen.
that. She
After
don't.
she listen, wanna tell her to listen.
But
She talk what she a talk.
trendy. This
Me
I
go
want
lift
big
up cause me
woman.
I go
I want
disagree.
trendy. I want big woman. This she not think how we are think on them. A big woman. This
You
she
know
think
you're the
we are.
woman bad like 40 gun boy.
No, but
Not just wrong. You're the woman
no,
about
Trendy
no,
little
sitting
she
over
not.
pictures.
there.
She not think how we are think. She not thinking
The
how we
woman
are
that think
thinking.
bigger
Yeah, man,
than
she
we. You
said
know,
she
and
a
she first come
pastor
up with pistol
A
earring.
ball
part,
and
she a
Yeah.
part.
obia.
No, she not understand the story because she stick panny part. She stuck panny part about the thieving. She not hear about how they reach her Airbnb. She stuck panny part where her son name a call pan thieving. That's all she stuck pan. That's all she
Well,
stuck pan.
one thing we can't agree upon liar, the one I will like Claudia tell when I'm out bad, but me and I
No, the
agree
one
so
them
she never did a
scared.
pick up for her son.
No, but and if she pick up for her son, that's okay. That's her child. We can't blame her. That's her child too. Because if me come on TikTok and me hear a bunch of strangers talk about my pitney, of course me gonna pick up for my pitney until me hear the truth. We can't blame her for that either. That's
No,
her
and
child.
listen to no remember say she saying if I him have it, him
Him have
have
to
to give it
give it
up.
back. Yes, she
So
said that.
you
We hear
understand?
all about.
Yeah, she said for him have it, him have to give it up. Because he's not supposed to a thief. Cause she say, and that's why she tell me about the money where she has sent, go give him and everything when he want she make. And she say him get ignorant pan she and the father if the money short. Cause like 100,000 they agree to. So you not think about that if you give your pitney everything, If you give your pitney everything, guys, you not think about say your pitney I go rob people ring. I went, which part sweet me? When she said, then oh, your ring come off of your finger, miss. I wonder if she think I gathering them. Yeah, me, I wonder if she think I gathering them.
You understand? Not say that's fair enough for true.
Yeah.
Like, come on, me not gonna beat down Claudette like
Me
that.
not beat her down either. Me
Yeah.
not beat her down. Cause she never, yeah.
That's fair enough for
Mm-hmm.
true.
Yeah.
Beat her, me go sit
Did
up
have
talk with
show
the
her, she'd
ear.
have shown me a flicker still but
Yeah,
She
me,
said she not never know.
all me I think about when she said, and all the ring come off of your finger, miss. All me I think about, she said, when did she think I gathering them? That's
Hey,
all me. She
Claudette,
not,
a drama still, you know?
no, she a drama, man.
No, sir, she
You
a
want to me just
drama,
send
man.
you up
Woman
on
say
the
she have
one
her
show.
crystal ball.
She said, me pops a talk about when me a playing something and pops a go suck your mother hear her. And me pops a talk about. But this is a classic case. A parents are so like he might get where him, he might get things from him mother and him family and still they go do bad things. This is a classic case of him just being damn bad. Because him no need for thief. Mother build your house. Mother say she go upgrade your car. The car too old. Mother buy your phone. Like, agreed. It's a classic case of greed. The classic case of
Yeah.
greed. Can't satisfy. Gonna know she buy him clothes, everything when we're down to the underpants when we are she buy. Me not ask Christ as she buy everything. It's a one classic case of that. Because remember saying yard him there now, pops go find place, go take him out time yard if he come go in a Airbnb, go help him thief.
No, for true, when they look into it. No.
I go and pop up in my kitchen. Here's a pop scare.
See? Because remember saying him gonna see me say no. Him there
It's a
yeah,
live
pops.
out sweet. It's a live out sweet like syrup.
Pops go back in the past, go take him because disgrace him now the same thief ring. And then they ring the can't feel fit him.
Like him poor little mother where I work so hard.
Gonna know she over there. She probably have, today and yesterday hot the woman they are working at the hot weather there. I work hard to send money, go give this little dirty boy fever. Ember. You hear the woman say, disgrace me. You know hear she say? She said, this a disgrace. The woman said, me I go to Jamaica.
What the way making mother come to Jamaica before time? John wants to start.
Pops, Miss Claudette, here yourself gonna stop car you wait. I can't wait for she deal with you.
But I know Hotel Island for go tell us if I go roll out the crystal ball out there come on.
Where she said she gonna send her pops on the one 10-wheeler, make him fall up.
I'm glad me not from.
You know, you the woman tell him I fi carry back, him I fi carry back.
This is funny.
Share the live to her. No, I wonder if she can't find back in live chat. Jesus, I wonder if Miss Claudette can't. You don't follow Miss Claudette. Who follow Miss Claudette? You don't know when over mix up, you don't follow the
Share the
woman.
life to Miss Claudette, no?
Come, me know when I follow Miss Claudette. Share the live.
Share the life to Miss Claudette.
Come, me know when I follow the lady. Share the live.
Oh my God.
Come, me know when I follow the woman. Kind of want to hear the mix up. See there? Share the live. You see, Marsha, you mix up, you know. Share the live to Miss Claudette. Watch there, one more share. Me know when I follow the woman page. Me know when I follow. Share the live. You know, mix up over here now. Me love it. Me not like chat. What in the hole?
Liar, this a live and sweet here.
No, me I tell her say, no man, the mix up gods really drop the people them over here today. Lord, Miss Claudette, she reach over here. No, sir. Mix up gods really at work today.
The woman said we come for when the woman, me think the woman said we come for vacation, you know.
Mix up.
No, a vacation, she say.
Me think she said we come for vacation.
Yeah, me know you think of that. She said my vacation. You know, they country people's vacation. No, man.
What a way you take
Me
her
dear.
on.
The mix up gods really at work. Oh, she just signed the live today.
Not in the lab, not with the smoke. This one.
But Stacey, you're not easy. Me never hear vacation yet. That's how one new one shot vacation. The girl them got Jamaica on vacation. How much I got Jamaica on vacation?
That the lady say?
Mama
the lady say no.
No, a vacation. She said vacation. A vacation she wanted.
I come to every me could do.
Let me hear cause for me. Cause I say you want cause. You go on vacation too? Alright, next time we go to Jamaica, we say we're not go on vacation or vacation. Nice one, Miss Claudette. Miss Claudette. Me not like Miss Claudette bad.
I love it to see.
Miss Claudette say, I'm me pops attack.
Yeah. You're a liar, yet, Miss Claudette.
Yes, Miss Claudette, you man.
You're a liar, I love it to see liar.
Lord badness, Miss Claudette a pray from she forward. Lord badness, the woman dark. Miss Claudette dark couple place. Miss Claudette
Oh my God. Miss Claudette me.
She herself made a go back about who best struggle.
Who for Obia struggle? We have to say no man. We have to say no man self made. Miss Claudette say make you run up on that 10-wheeler.
I need my credit tonight.
Then me want she got the other man in the car. Me want know who do it. Alright, Miss Claudette, we want know who do it.
Crystal ball and them sitting in house.
A long time in a year,
Crystal ball, yeah.
Miss
A long time here about that.
Yo, nah, like, tonight not feel nice, so I'm backside.
No, that feel nice.
Moisha never know Moisha miss
I'm tired of them come from.
Moisha gone her bed.
Moisha got in bed too early. She soon wake up at soon 6 o'clock at England.
What the fuck if I a plot twist and a lucky thief everything?
What a ras too! Seriously, what a ras! That's gonna be a plot twist. Me like that series.
Plot twist.
Make we better and see who thiefy. Me see a pops thiefy. Me I see a pops.
Me wait for this a crystal ball if it come.
You see the two of them. Cause the two of them can't dead there and pops alone.
Why me have to see a pops? Because a pops have to tell the guy where the girl him have. Pops have to initiate this. Because Crown Boss was not there from the jump. So me can't put it on Crown Boss. Me have to put this one on Pops because if Crown Boss did there see me say me that say well.
The getaway drive.
No, man, I think the no, you know what me think trendy? Crown Boss had the you know me think trendy? Crown Boss had the brazen one. Him know if he search every corner. Him know if he search everywhere. Can him go find a cigarette them, you know?
Blood club, I tell you, what self-made, where you tell liar today? When we get up and see all them pull out with blood club pepper sausage. You know me love my pepper sausage, you know?
Yeah.
When we come to that man, me say empty can of pepper sausage, then them up with blood club sausage. You never yourself made that talk about it today. I'm not even doing me the aggie.
I want the storybook name where the people them going to the cottage. What a storybook their name?
Then them mama pepper sausage that left all the tin dirty boy they could even dash something in the bin. Look at dirty stink hole.
What the storybook name where they then go broke into the house now? You know that storybook there? And they make dinner and everything. And that's how
get up the mind.
What are that story there?
A golden lock.
Yeah, name the people them fool.
Yeah, after them teeth, then
and then say, oh, they must hungry. Then them your sausage, they must hungry.
Share
the life to Miss Claudette. Share the life to Miss Claudette. Whenever her husband come home, after 11
why does have to show you that them a boy a lick your foot? I'm a sausage. When me look back here, I'm a sausage.
Mini say, Auntie Empress. Mini said, Pop set it up, Crown took it, and Lucky was the lookout guy. Mini and easy, no Mini. Hear me say, a Crown Boss search the whole place. So Crown Boss, I'll find the room them. But him asleep in a van. Our friend Stacy coming here, Stacy she. No, the driver wasn't in it. I tell him a priest. And he put Stacy no say the whole of them a thief. The whole of them a thief. The whole of them a work together. So him go keep the engine running. So when they come out now, they just everybody just shut it out of the Airbnb. Because this morning he come, I lie them I tell, lie him and Pops, I lie them I tell. All of a sudden the story does take a 360. The three of them know. Lucky just know if
when Crown Boss come in the room and at about, me say what the fuck you doing here? The boy then put Molly in my drink. And I'm about, put your foot on me there, so me that spin. Batty man, come out of my room. I said, come out here, so.
Put your foot, so when you put your foot on your head, it doesn't stop me from
Mr. Liar, when I look back on it, it's like, it's weird.
We can't laugh, no. We can't laugh, no, Stacey, because no. So when you put your foot on your head, what that gonna do?
I don't know. Alright, you ever catch Maddie right under the thief?
Yeah.
They come and they don't know where they say after that. He thinks that as him thinks that when they drunk and pass out in there.
So when me head a spin, put your foot on your head, put it on my head. Like what the heck?
You know, I want me ask him today in admit say, yeah, no, in coming but the two are with naked in a room. Which obviously you're admitting that you came in the room then.
I not strip off your clothes
so you admit although work naked, liar, and our life. So you basically you admit say you're coming in the room then, dirty man.
I'm frightening. Somebody say I'm frightening. Frightened. Start chatting.
Of course I'm frightening. Of course I'm frightening.
Yeah, because him thinks I asleep and him back.
Whenever thief sitting at Pitney from when mama we're going to somewhere and catch and when we get catch we access some random shit.
Put your foot on me head us.
I said don't touch me fucking foot and come out. Somebody count him. I said don't touch me and come out.
And he come out.
All your foot for put it on him head.
Yes. That's what I'm
Turn on your bed, man.
No, man, I'm not too long forward from work.
No, man. Crown Master, put your foot on me head. Next time your head spin, me say that.
Me asking that today, can't say no, because you can't, we're going to deny. You can't deny nothing. You can't make up
next time my head spin, if you say that and tell me if you work, when you put your foot on the head, it stop.
No, my love.
Yeah, the foot on head.
Suck pussy like dog. Crumba suck pussy like dog. I lick the walk and lick up me friend pussy.
Did you hear Pops
I never get it.
Because he must think myself put your foot on me.
When Crumbas I give away that for free, me no want that. Crumbas must stink like some cesspool truck. Stink. Crumbas must stink. Bad.
That's what I'll leave it up in the Airbnb in the pond bus. I'll take
with dash the cup they went so when we offer and give them the drink with dash that we're leaving with the blood clot. You see Intercup picture with the Danulia?
He said them said they never drink it, so then was probably just I posed up with it. Naomi said, Jesus, what the hell if Miss Claudette ever hear that part?
Me no want she drop down, girl. You see the lady look like she ready for drop down, and me no want nobody drop down here. She said her one boy and him so, you know, him.
We want to find out who do it, man. You know, make Miss Claudette stay healthy. Cause we have to solve the crime, yeah. No, me not lie, still Miss Claudette, you're bad, cause some mother now come up here, you know. Miss Claudette, see Pops coming alive, the dirty stinking Pops.
Oh, here we go.
Nah, be it Pops, we see you enter the live. Study mode, Pops.
Pussy blood.
Study mode, Pops.
Yeah, do it.
We are swimming a cave, big hole.
Oh, that's the story there too. And that too.
Miss Claudette, I go up there, your Pops. I go on 10-wheeler. 10-wheeler, she said, chat. Pops can't back his jewelry. Call Crown Boss mother come over here. Okay. We are warning you.
A pastor come here with liar. Have more information liar get on the story.
Well, Crown Boss mother enter the chat now. You know say when mothers enter the chat, the thing turn up away. And Miss Claudette says she have a crystal ball. You better carry back. Jabba sit over here, so me know Jabba's probably call him already. Jabba sit over here. So me know Jabba's tell him already. See, and those that up here come your way.
Sit down, she arch back. She want that.
Come back now, no one nobody arch back, he want put foot on head, he head a spin. No man today not feel nice, so that Monday a nice body now.
Them say I give you every Monday.
So you know somebody send me something out to a girl already. Cause no good to the nice body, no get whole heap of entertainment today. Come go to a girl already and send something there.
see the
Somebody
tree.
bless the girl already. Cause today nice bad, me not lie. And tomorrow, it'll continue, cause we have to know who do it.
Not
We
every
have to
day
know who do
something, you
it.
know. You see one person,
Or would
every
I play
day
the live over
something.
Jabas? We could play the live in the meantime. Cause I never hear more sighting and they fall asleep. Play.
I never come take no people for them broke.
Miss Claudette active, man. No share the live to Miss Claudette.
Share
See
the
she
live to Miss
active.
Claudette.
Bombati says she active. See her there. No, no, she know if it take a share, but me share it. Yeah, me share it. Share it, guys. Share it again. Share it again. Share it again. Hold on. Share that video. Why somebody has sent me back my own recording? Lady, me not like hear myself, you know, that makes sense?
Worse.
Oh, yeah, me know what me say.
That's why me don't far around them again, bro. I mean, I'm not against it, but I'm looking for that for you. You know the style. Be a little shagga your bumbo like that. You take your way. Tell that. See, look where them you see. Look there. I mind them, man. And you, they are militant, you, them, bro. You, be a little, you. Look at that waste man, you. They tell me, brother. They want to make kid a road dog. But tell me, if you are coming, say now, coming on over. Go over Jabas, now come over here, so. Go on over Jabas. Me talk to this boy till me tired like I'm looking, brother. Me talk to this man till me tired. Scheme and talking till me tired. With both to talk till me tired of your pops. Pops, if you go off and tell the youth, I'm going to blood till I find something to the youth. I'm going to find something to do. See what you're there, son. The police will come there. The fucking dog shit in that too. Scheme boss. You know sense. Scheme boss. We have one figure, you know, so make sure you go and check. Scheme boss, tell him I'm going to stop out your mama. I thought we got to scheme boss. We have one phone here. This is my brother. I'm going to 217 have enough. I have 217 I don't want enough. If you run away, but you get a phone. Let's not keep it. I'm watching them. Bad man. Game boss, you know, so I'm Stacy. I'm not joking, Stacy.
No man for Jabba's company live, Jabba's a lick him out. Cause Jabba's used to par with him, you know. Yeah, Jabba's really I tell him say I eat that thing him a go on with. Pops.
What about this in the man? Brother, me know your blood clot me. Tell him because you got them blood clot chain come him and go in. That means what man I tell my truth.
Let me tell you this, brother. You say if mama them serious, mama them get man killed.
Man answer, brother. We are going to cut. Brother.
Yes,
I'm telling you this, bro. Oh no, a fire and I play with them, bro. People things in the gym. Remember, mama them, you know. Man is there right now.
Listen, I said, you like me, not darling.
What not?
Watch out. They call him now.
I want we how long.
You can't get behind that, yes. I can't get behind that. You say Nicky like me, not joke, man.
No, I stay at that job as well. Nicky for me.
You like me, not joke, yes.
No, me know you're not running.
Oh, me not joke.
Me rate. You want scheme boss because I want to run.
No joke, me not run.
I tell them what I do, like literally now. When I go like
I'm telling you this, some girl find a Batman fuck and kill her for all of them long time, and them over here take it to joke.
I come again and say, I'm going like in between the line.
Yeah, Jabba, so that's a go up.
I don't really dog link me, my G. Let me tell you, I play that go and I go and get it. I'm a top, you know.
Yeah, me go play after.
I see make the boy put him back in and see make the boy come put Kabacha the boy and know so the boy they are fool and boy they forget bench, you know, my G. But the situation ideas.
That me not like with the youth, dog. So I tell him, I say, brother, fear friend, one of my friends in the youth. Somebody I told us a place where you want to go and manage each other. So I believe in my Airbnb. I'm a different brother. I left country come and
we have Pops good for them as Zimmy. We have Pops good for them as Zimmy. No problems. Pops bring we come home safe. And that's my problem. Pops reach literally bring we go with Airbnb safe. And that's why I say, alright, you want to try to
Pops their own whole heap of foreigner. We have whole heap of luxury things in Airbnb, brother, and that not trouble. Brother, I want to know that. Brother, true bad man. And none of them can tell me nothing, bro. Never prove me wrong, brother. I know Pops take up the chain there. I tell you, brother. So you stop.
I get the call and from my phone ringing and I say, Nasa, why G not take out the chain there? I have to look a bumbo club boy.
You know them tell them all of them bottom of them suitcase. I think girl say.
No, listen up. You know them aware. The one that got missing. I want them to see me.
No, I don't know laugh because them say panties in them. Did there so and the suitcase dig up.
Me tell you say them thief couple panty. Me telling her. From morning, me I tell you say them thief couple panty and nothing a joke.
Some still line of business or some panties. I don't know.
What are they?
But I
know me and girls say
Chabas, the girl said the panty line of them did in the suitcase and the panty line of them dig up. And I'm tell me so.
Pops. It's bikinis and panties.
Sorry.
Bikinis. The suitcase of my friend bikinis them and her personal stuff and this so she's have her cigarettes. And this the cigarette them gone. You know say my friend are English, you know say she smoke like that. She not smoke craving her matter. We come to Jamaica 2-3 times a year now. We're not broken now. We come from England. We got family here. So we come here all the time. Easter, summer and Christmas we come here. She bring her cigarette them because she not smoke Jamaican cigarettes. So she bring her posh cigarette them. And then go missing.
Yeah, come
Remember she a chain smoker, you know. She go when she wake up, she go to her cigarette them. Them their first thing, she get her cigarette and her liquor. And that she go for vacation. She depend vacation. Not vacation, Chad. Vacation. So when she wake up, she get her little liquor and her cigarette and go on the balcony. Can you have a nice view, you know? And go smoke and, you know, whole of vibes.
We're gonna get some craving. I'm buy one more craving. When my girls say have them by the car tag box line.
Them they gonna miss it. Lucky when me call it. Lucky who first me call them on the money. I try to
I'm
come back to them and say, first me call.
I'm away to my beer when you call me.
When me tell her say the liquor them missing, and then me say blood clot, they really come take a liquor, and then after Nicola says, Stacey, check your jewelry, because my friend know my jewelry, me and my friend a friend for 10 years, so she know, when me buy them in the 2024, they were custom made. The ring one, the art one, I pull apart, the diamond tay one, we pull apart and push, that's sentimental to me. So she know me jewelry them, come in and take them off and put them on the center table. By the time she see the liquor them missing, she says, Stacey, go and check if your jewelry them there. Me go over there. Jabas, about 1.5 hours me process. Me see that, you know when you put down something, but me see that dig up everywhere. So when me jury them, but me know that's how I put them. Because I couldn't believe say only 2 of them in there and one of them must have take it. And me I said, no, Pops could never do that. I know you have a name like that. So if anything, this is what's going to happen. This same thing we're going right now. This
right now, yeah, true.
You understand?
Don't go up on the media, no. Then instead of
watch out. When mama them at them, one man missing no and now come clear. Like this number, going on you. I'm tell you that. If even them know say boy crown boss take it in my jail. But I see laughing thing and the grown chatting. Nah, so nothing in my jail. We are chatting.
When Pops say that, we never want to hold it up.
And you will entertainment.
Call him. See no boy. When this man call him. When this look here. I got to try call him and he no answer. Look at Jabas.
The man the same answer.
40?
Let me tell you something, Jabas. Although them did in my space, them never in my space because the Airbnb is big enough. We didn't have a room where we just lock up in our room. Listen to what me I say. Pops, go in the Airbnb and drop asleep on the settee, right? Me now trouble Pops if you're tired, because I understand you were in traffic for almost how long? 4 hours, right? Anyways, you know Zimigo. Me leave, Pops. I was say, alright, nobody now leave. So me and my friend take up our belongings, our passport and our bag and we go in our room and lock up because it's a big Airbnb. You have a balcony, you have the front, the living room, and you have the room and then a bathroom. Me and my friend go lock up in our room and me say, nobody now move, we go sleep. Lucky already gone and go sleep. In the middle of the night, no, me did that. One time, me not sleep deep enough. In the middle of the morning, no, me had the door open from the bathroom. Because the front door to the hall locking up. When me hear the door, me jump up as dirty crown, stinking goggle bars, crown bars.
Oh, so basically, Stacey, you have a room where you can enter from the hall to the room, and then you can enter from the bathroom side. Okay, hear that chat? So
yeah, exactly that. Exactly that. You have to walk
the boy a search.
You have two doors, one to the washroom, and the washroom lead to the bathroom, and then from the bathroom to the room as well. At the same come through. At the same come
okay,
through.
so you have the one to the hall, but him go in
yes,
tiny
I
way
come
through the other way.
way around this, or way around the one part.
Mm-hmm.
Him come confused because he probably thought we were sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when I go and pop money, put my drink, you know, my head that spin. Put your foot on my head. I said, come out.
No, if foot on head, I want to be in France.
And that me one to Jabas.
The foot part and a bad at me.
Yeah, and that me one to Jabas. Me ask that question there. Cause yo, a real idiot in town, you know. He don't know what he say. So, because alright, so if you saw the woman them naked, why you want put something on it, your foot on it, and you say the woman them naked? You saw him stupid? So what you want to see?
You want name something, boss?
Yeah.
The pussy one,
yeah, Jaman say a pussy one, yeah. am.
Obviously, still get asleep on it. You don't hear all of this.
Yeah, because the first thing I can say, put your foot on my head. Yo, the man turned idiot. The man said, chat, when we had a spin and we jump next time, we have to say, put your foot on my head. We have to get that, stop it.
That me I gonna say me not even
Yes.
wait till tomorrow good.
Yo, the man turned idiot. I thought he turned idiot, you know? No, so that's funny. Me not like.
When me tell Crumbers, I'm going to tell them ready. That time they come in if they teach more things as them say.
True. But that thing going there for do. Yes. Because he was the only one awake when the girl them carry them things in the room. So him see them pick up them bags, so he know say them money and things there with them. So him know. So going there no cause him think say them probably drunk and pass out. So him going there for rob. But going there for rob.
It's like coming up purse them. And then the purse.
I find anyone go find the person take out the pound.
Yep, a pound going there for.
And know if it already.
Get. You see, pray. Yeah, man.
Kimball, you know where you put them for.
Listen, no space, so. Him could have about him business by himself, but he knows when he wake up and pass, still did it. And him gone. Anything they miss, they definitely never know. But when pass him left same time, now you have to go in between two of them. I wonder who.
Yeah.
When the next man come say Crumbers, say Stacy, I'm the girl, let's all believe. No.
If me thief something, I know me thief. Me not make me myself gone. Like everybody get up on me alone, missing.
Bro, my brother. Left up the sleep and left him run from the balcony with the girl them. And then me left up there, bro. Come in there and I chair sit down and me take picture of me and do it with that. Stick up.
I'm tell you now. In doing and you know, say mama think them brawling like that and mama hack her a phone call.
What guys say now scheme back, saying this and saying that. What go happen now? What woman they want by them children, so what go happen?
That's why I say what will happen now. Like woman, if we get them things for children.
Babe, my head spinning. Your head spinning?
The girl them alright,
your head spinning?
The girl them have them money, bro. Me have the girl them.
Don't put my foot on your head.
The girl them have them things, man.
Hold on, the guys.
I'm hungry, thirsty man there in Jamaica right now.
It's not about him on the compound life, like one of them is like hungry the England girl. Suck them at that Crumbers, suck them at that.
Crumbers, we make on a dead too.
No, I'm going to tell her that.
Yes, we pray.
No, I'm passing on her too. Passing on here and
Thomas!
What is happening to you?
19th of the audience, 19 now, at 19.
When 19 did it?
Over, no, like 19 as of the audience.
Well, tell me come give me that, so I'm not here left fire, so you know.
Well, 19, one over Chabas.
I'm never for different reasons, you know. Let me know if it's really real. You see what I receipt everything. I'm not asking me that question, man. All of them fake.
In a matter of fear, I want them. True.
Till Crown Boss come up by girl and B&B here. Crown Boss come up by girl and B&B. Me all did that with the money to go buy food. I'm afraid to give me money to go buy food.
I saw some silver ring then in the door and sell me, but I got some silver ring business, but I don't know who for.
Hear there. Silver ring you know and send me. Hear there. How many look at me really fall asleep.
I forgot to tell you this apart.
Yeah, because the ring them a white gold, but them look like, you know, them full Jamaican, they don't know.
Yeah.
Don't you hear? I'm going to go back a little bit.
No, I'm passing on here too. Passing on here and Chabas.
What is happening to you?
19th of the audience, 19 now, at 19.
When 19 did it?
Over, no, like 19 as of the audience.
Well, tell me come give me that, so I'm not here left fire, so you know.
Well, 19, one over Chabas.
I'm never for different reasons, you know. Let me know if it's really real. You see what I receipt everything. I'm not asking me that question, man. All of them fake. Let me take up before.
Chabas, nothing never missing. Till Crown Boss come up by girl and B&B here. Crown Boss come up by girl and B&B. Me all did that with the money to go buy food. I'm afraid to give me money to go buy food.
Yeah, I saw some silver ring then in the door and sell me, but I got some silver ring business, but I don't know who for. I never bother. I never do anything.
Don't send the boy in the picture them.
Watch out, me I got me live up, you know, because over here too spicy for me, you know, 5,000 people over here. 19. Watch out, this is one hand that cut me out.
Come on.
Me I live up now. Jabba, speak up yourself.
Go away, Pops. Go away, dirty Pops. Are you a problem? Go away. Miss Claudette, I go obey you. You go on. Miss Claudette, I go obey you. Crown Boss mother says she go obey you. Because you want to tell Crown Boss is suck her. She says she watch. She got looking at her crystal ball. You fought. You go on the 110-wheeler.
We say you're a liar.
No Crown Boss, man.
Sunny mouth Pops. Sunny mouth Pops.
Yeah.
Boy from Wars up. Ticky stepson.
Watch out, bro. Some gathering business.
Listen to me, I said, bro. Listen to me, I said, man. I'm a different youth, man. I never come and say the fuck here, man.
Jabba, I love Crown Boss. Sit Crown Boss, yeah.
Nobody ramping thing. Nobody the fuck you, man.
Jabba, sit Crown Boss, yeah. He's saying him 5K record.
Nobody knows saying I'm buying no blood clary, you know, Nanny. I don't fuck you, bro. Serious thing with the bad man.
If I did a man have a gun on the head right now, the man would make no dead, you know. And that me I tell you, no, if it's dead, you know, me G. And laugh off on you, you know. Yes, I laugh.
A Pops tell 19 fi go up, they go say that. A Pops tell 19 fi go up, they go say that. Pops love create some story, you know. A Pops tell 19 fi go up, they go say that. Me not ask Christ. A Pops tell 19 fi go up, they go say Crown Boss did that sell him some silver ring. Me not ask Christ. A Pops tell 19 fi go up, they go say that. See Jabba sketch onto it.
Yeah, I never know say me things I want strange. I name 5K.
So make you now come here some my youth.
Dirty batty man. You're being
Come here now, come here some
we hungry. You know that about me Crown Boss. Where know about me? And but if I never start the man, me get program long time. Where know about me?
Yo, Pops, you hear me, Pops? Pops, you hear me? Pops.
Cause sub Pops love create story. As sub Pops how healthy create one story, you know. Pops are healthy create one story. That's why I tell you say me now go say a Crown Boss one. Pops involved in it too. Thank you. You know what something?
Yo. Yeah, you hear me? I say no, brother.
Yeah.
But there's no way Pop Crown Boss can know where the girl them have if Pops not tell him. Me not ask Christ. Pops is involved. He might try. That's why I pretend about sleep and this. It two of them involved are him.
Yeah. You see, all you see them two women there, so right now them talk and them in a class. Them two women are Lego them things just so. So you say they want to get caught up in the things with boy. And you're there on your own, bro. So sit down there and feel like a gimmick thing, bro. And feel like you know what tell me I'm serious for the man. I make the man know say bad man want to push out your man. I feel like a blood clot joke. And if you tell me I'm telling this, bro. The man tell me to left their thing just so, bro. I tell you that, yeah? That me I tell you no. Remember me I tell you. Yeah.
Yeah, you know me I say. Me try put on my yard, you know what I mean?
What it?
Shut your mouth, Pops.
Yeah, you know me I say, Jabba.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Evil turn take ribs. No, we try put on a Crown Boss yard. Crown Boss baby mother say, you know, down there. We even turn take girl, them and say, we could get police and go down there. Ask the girl them for the life before they not there. We don't need to tell her that. She's Skin Boss, yeah. Skin Boss, what me tell us up on the phone?
Oh, I'm gonna find one of them police boy that will love girl. And we gonna kill up one of them.
I have a few Skin Boss. I have a few.
And them police boy, I'm gonna kill up one girl.
Yeah, I'm close to that. So me feel like say, through the woman there, brother, me know people and me study art of war. In front of that woman me attack. You might be she there skin up her teeth, bro. Me say you know let it go so easy. So get caught up with people boy and you see, yeah?
Jabba, you see me receipt and me and my band. You see me receipt? Me receipt me ring them 2024 me and my band. Me a Taurus, me not give up.
Jabba,
you know, me determine a pot, me determine.
Skin Boss tell me say Crown Boss too. Skin Boss tell me say Crown Boss, move up the thing them. Then wake up me and listen man and finish to make it look like I see a week.
Because man don't go left on the brother, because man go left on the bro. And then the woman wake up and miss it.
When me and him have conversation about me about Pops leave. When me and him have conversation.
Yes, when you call me in the morning, me not tell you say Crown Boss tell me say.
When me and him have conversation.
Yes, when you call me in the morning, you know me say to your girl.
Pops, Jabba see if you call up Crown Boss and tell him if you care. Why you can't do that? Why you can't do that? Why you can't do that?
TikTok liar.
Yeah.
You missed the part where him not play the Crown Bass voice note
Me
them.
don't know if they look at them start record late. Me have to go find one screen.
Oh
Guys,
shit,
not find me
you need
one.
the part there for fine.
When I did something to play a voice note, Bruno, with Crown Bass, me no screen record the voice note, send by your phone and make you hear when we stun to Crown Bass and say, oh, you tell me, say, Stacey say we leave and Stacey never tell her that.
Then Crown Bass will say, when you go in the room and tell the woman, then say, then we get up all that back door.
Jabba!
Liar wicked. Jabba! When you catch him come in my room, Jabba, he say, Humble, you boy don't pop Molly, put on my drink. Make me hurt me in a spin. Put your foot yourself on me.
Yo, me not. That part there, the plot that classic. Put that foot in my head and spin. Put that foot yourself on me.
Oh, you did that?
Me not get a... Cheryl, me not left that part there. Put your foot yourself on me head and spin.
So why never say put your arm?
No, that is me a hand your foot. According to him, they're naked when they go in the room. So why you want him to put on your hair?
Come back. Nobody never save Miss Claudette page. Make sure come back.
No, me share life to her. Me save her page, man.
Hey, watch that. Man, when you pop that thing, lead him to the bedroom door.
And if you ever see the layout, you have to go through the laundry room to go in the bathroom to go into the room. Yeah? It's not the room door in the living room, the lock already I see you.
Crown Bass rooms are on thief, you know. Cause in just, listen up, in the depth of life for a while. So when you run down now, what make you not come punch?
Brother, man, now come and say, bro, come and say, then watch out, serious thing I'm going to say, brother. Nobody now hold on for you. You can't get blind.
It will great too. Now that Batman, when you come in if you come do, I don't know, when you come in if you do, if you come in if you come thief the rest of the person and the things them, I don't know. Because at that point, we can't tell that bro, you know, my friend have about 2,000 pound cash. Let me say we can change, we can bring cash and we can change it up a Cambia OG. And we got our cards. We have about 1,200 something like that cash. So if you need ever grab back on them, got clap first day. You know it's how it go. That's how we had Jabba. So we bring the person in our room.
Just
and then I think on the jewelry, I'm going to get this or not.
You know, some people chill, pull on the puppy.
Stacey.
And last thing I'm going to think about in the brain, say, yo, somebody
Oh my God. Imagine they can't imagine they have all in the pound there last week, Monday morning. Go see them. Go see them chat.
It's alright. I really feel sad that they did look for them.
Better Stacey.
I feel so sad the person I look for now.
I personally look for. I personally look for. Definitely person.
You don't have to do that, man. I'm not about ring and chain.
That's what them do already, man. That's what them do all the while.
Which time you call the youth? You just come and say youth.
Jabba, in there, watch your life, you know.
So why you not come and say, bro?
So you said, if the 5 came up here, you said, Adam no? You said,
come over here, so I tell you.
I'm going to shit him out where I come
over here, so pops can't have the pops people in the back, come over here, so. Why you don't want to come? Come, man. And stop your fuckery, youth.
Jabba's not even telling that.
Can you see if you don't run back your man blood clot through them, brother? For run back your man back through. I'm telling you, look up, man.
Come on, you say just come on.
He said, sorry, never mind people head bus already. We matter.
Never, I'm different lion. I don't want to lion, bro. I feel like I'm hungry. No, so long me not come here, I'm still live active. Fuck you.
Yes, yes, any man can. Yeah, you can't be my people still, you know. Because from all angles, I'm going to get you, you know. So, a first come, first serve.
Crown Bass, just return it, bro.
Crown Bass, come over here, so my youth. Come over here, so that box, my youth.
I'm not going to talk certain things broad in Panis alive and neither. Because I'm not talking enough. I'm not broke like that.
Jabba's, you know, cut here now. You know where Crown Bass, me do. We don't watch it, I wait for him and he say, I come and watch it, and don't come. Yes, he don't come.
Oh.
Oh, man, can't face no, my youth. You want Chinese up the blue money. The Chinese in the blue money and blood clot twinkle. You're dead.
Jabba, you don't get you.
Tell that.
Hold on. One of them time I go way back in the night, I wait for the dog. I know you don't come. Where's the name selfie before hours? And the girl them showing up to go over there. Yes, which mind the selfie comes, Stacey?
If you go stop you.
Which mind the selfie comes, Stacey? I remember you tell me something you go there, no, Stacey. Which part?
I'm stair tall. Yeah, you want to go back stair tall.
Tell me something about stair tall. Tell me something not to go there. You don't have to say enough to go there.
Yeah, we told you. We tell the person to go this stuff. Yep. So this why you can't this and that. Because we still want to look out for you. Yeah, we still look out for you. We still want to look out for you. You know, listen, I learn. And today, because you're live with the battle. You come up. That's what that hurt me. And Lucky, I'm not happy with you, Lucky, I'm not happy with you at all. What am I doing? Lucky sound like the one they like to Lucky. Lucky sound like the one they like you, Lucky. And you're going to tell my people, me a drop down, I'm a drunk, I'm a drop down, and they can't take care of the blood clot, you're going to drop down, man. Yo, you never drop, but you never people say, you make it out, say, oh, I'm a drunk, I'm a drunk, and did it. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that. You know, I'm not telling you.
You said them switch up the mouth. Liar earlier upon them like
more on you, Lucky.
But for you, you never drop for you. But all the man say you go drop, but you never drop.
5K Mafia Records. Where you the man? Come here, man.
Sure.
I mean, many things say, girl.
A beer deflection. I know
Yeah,
you're
beer
not
deflection. Pops now, yeah, beer deflection.
this morning, we pan liar like them say, oh, we drunk and we are turn out with high and with this and with that.
Yes, that's beyond the point. The point is where are the jewelry? That's the point.
Story.
Who cares who's drunk and who's naked? No one cares about that. What the fuck? I swear, I've got a short span, you know.
Do a story.
Lucky. Well, Lucky when we call it the first time, the morning we call it, because Lucky not them take one more time and the petrol and this and that, right?
Yeah, that's what
later we call them mad.
I'm a prank, I'm a show, but I can't deal with me stuff. Why you can't talk to me like that?
And now they're the truth, they've gone now. And that's how the truth, and that's how we know the problem. That's how the problem starts. Lucky with the man on the phone already, so we know.
Yeah, bro. I'm not did all that. That's come back, come and girl them thing with you, bro. I tell Pops, bro, I every way you call, man, bro.
You say come there and know.
Me go and tell the man, bro, take my time, man. Do your thing yourself, man. That girl them on phone, that's simple thing to me.
Brother, I say come there, blood.
But we're not
going to comment again. You comment again.
Look, you know, I'm not even smoke. My friends smoke, yes, I don't even smoke.
That's you, you're not smoke with you.
I'm not about you
comment again.
You know, make Nicky smoke, I'm always in advice.
Comment again.
Bro.
What girl, how you this and girl, that?
5K Mafia, comment again.
I know, they front, just run back to jury them, dog. I know, you know, the jury, you know. You don't know the jury.
Yo, me follow you, ask me follow you.
And the girl them tell you.
Me follow you, whatever, ask me follow you. Ask me follow you 5K Mafia, me see you.
Yeah, but look, him not gonna run, that's the one not getting on the head, him not gonna run back nothing, that's gonna prove that him did take him not, not during our run, not during our run enough, not run again.
Bro,
Not during our run. Exactly, then that now runs back.
They start run no more like a miracle, no believe in it.
So now you can't say, I can't say,
I couldn't stay with Pops for my stay with Pops when I left so long. I'm not my jewelry. I'm mad.
I entertain, and girl them doing now come back, dog. I mean they have to pop entertainment to make no sense, kawa.
Somebody send one request. Somebody send one request.
I bet if a man try to find me in the night and come a morning and tell me to go meet him somewhere.
Somebody send one request.
I don't want that thing. You don't want that thing.
Give man, him missing that tin ear. Give man, you know, that's him missing that tin ear. Tin ear missing.
That's fine. When you miss it for 10 years, find it immediately. No man, not to find it.
Alright, 5K, try selling no 5K.
No, I don't know them man and can't touch the bomb class. That's if you understand.
Man, stop their life, you. Stop their life on me back. Me no know no funny thing. Stop nothing, you. Never said a crowd boss. This bad man, stop. Batty boy, and I'm giving you.
How is that?
When I pay people, I expect me for batty boy. They tell you why. Remember, son of thief, me can't, you know. You can't know money, me know. Let's see, look at crowd boss. Batty boy, look at crowd boss.
No, I'm not going to talk money. There you go.
But when I am pin me, I'm not there. Pin me, batty boy.
Yeah.
I him that?
That are somebody else liar. That are somebody else. But them not. But them thief something else from. Rewind the back. This is somebody else. So them then thief them card and whatnot, whatnot.
You know.
Man, sound of thief in car.
Yeah, thief no. Hear there.
Look why let me show you. See that chat? See that? I know watch out, 2 them to mind myself at all. I'm just believe and them see myself in the message. Show them, bro. I know him come for a life. I said be a fool in it. God Almighty.
Why pay my family not understand that they bad dog?
Your voice not make the man them your voice not brother. No,
because a while ago pops them and say 5K mafia in name when him
Crown bar.
Everybody want clothes now. Everybody want clothes. Go ya. About months of message they tell me I'm leaving inside. Go ya. Clothes them people are look down. Clothes them are look.
No, because they say a crown bar step on the page when him 5K and a crown bar step on the page.
Team black me I know.
Bro, I can't listen, bro. I can't say a crown bar step on the page and a crown bar step on the page, bro. When I go put the page and pressure on the people feel like a crown bar page, bro.
That's a
crown bar step on the page, so I can't say like on the page, bro.
You can ramp with none of winner road because party boy when you 5K mafia, you can ramp with none of winner road. You know now, man. Well, look out your mama party boy. You can ramp with it. And no, if you do enough, a clothes your mama, man. So you get clothes, you know. Go look out your mama, man. Yeah. Anyway, you see, man, you fuck up. And see, fuck up play, man. We don't pray for none of you, yeah? None of you. You can jump up in a man thing.
Stop chatting, man. Don't chat too much. That's the same energy. You're not putting for that, man.
I don't put in back crown bar, I can't tell you, but I'm going to go.
Low on the flex and I know we're not here what happened to the jewelry.
Marvelous people.
But come tell people them what you got done. When you find a girl them life over there and you don't want to come
Yo, look how buck to them.
Lucky, you know it can't happen, bro. You're not serious, bro. If you think you can't come on 5 hours and the program can't run, bro.
What do you mean if you can't run?
Yeah, man. I'm both responsible for the phone.
Yeah.
Well, I'm telling you, you want to tell a girl if you get that jewelry, a good girl them dog.
Yeah.
Let me tell a girl them a good people. A bad man, any man will take up a girl jewelry dog. A bad man, then bad man.
Yeah. It's not anybody either you are Crown Boss, not anybody.
Exactly.
What the hell? Me put them top, them make me feel like stabbing in their head. Oh, crazy shit.
The girl them say no, put back 5 grand in your pocket, me have to pay off of me car. The girl them pay off of them car and then the girl them start telling me say they have to lick up on their yard, bro. Bro, as we reach up there, bro, the girl them make one 5 shots of rum. 5 shots in a 5 cup the girl them make, and I'm here Crown Boss did and the girl them and take, bro. Fuck the drink none. And Crown Boss I give me 4 7 to video them and take picture up and the girl them that know you, bro. I'm going to say man did and sit there. One that know you, man can't stop it, one that know you, bro. We need to stand on people are drinking.
Good. I am this now.
From the Airbnb, I sent you see everybody book the Airbnb, we give them bomb buckler, the card number then for them. When I tell the man that every day I send them the card number.
You there?
When I say when I talk about that.
You there? You don't hear the part there?
Yeah, me did that when they come up.
Oh, I give them card number figure that the people them here. You don't know hear what I want. Look at you not follow the story. 5K mafia listen. Them a scam the Airbnb, them no listen. Listen. This bigger than this.
Fuck up, auntie, fuck up play man. We don't friend for none of you, yeah?
Listen. Say my boy I can't know the boy.
Chatting, man. Don't chat too much.
Listen.
You're not putting for that, man.
I'm black, me never black card for man. Too enough. About too enough. Just like a black card.
Marvelous people.
Come tell people them what you got done. When you get fucking girl them life over there and you don't want to come
Yo, look how buck to them.
You
look, you know it can't happen, bro. We're not have to serious, bro. If you can't come on 5 hours and the program can't run, bro.
Yeah, me if you can't run.
Yeah, man. I'm book responsible for the phone, you know.
Program can't run.
Well, I'm telling you, you want to tell us, girl, if you get what they do, you're a good girl, them dog. A good people, them bad man. Let me tell us, girl, them a good people.
All Jabba's son.
A bad man, any man will take up a girl, do dog. A bad man, them bad man, bad man. A bad man, them bad man, bro. Bad man. Cause girl, them go up, girl, them here, Bambi. We need to ask the girl, them to know jig, and the girl, them a tell you, they have no liquor, everything already. And I run me a buy bad man. I run me a gas station, go buy, when the girl, them see me buy rum. The girl them say no, put back the 5 grand in your pocket, me and pay half of my car. The girl them pay half of them car and then the girl them start telling me say they have to lick up on their yard, bro. Bro, as I reach up there, bro, the girl them make one 5 shots of rum. 5 shots in a 5 cup the girl them make, and I mean a crown boss did and the girl them and take, bro. Pops don't think none. And crown boss I give me 4 times to video them and take picture up and the girl them don't know you, bro.
Hear that? Hear the capper.
One don't know you, man can't stop with one don't know you, bro. We want 1 million people are drinking. Stop with that only, man. We want to
Yo.
Alright, now show you something about that batty boy. Now show you that boy a real batty man. You see, me run me from the Airbnb a sentence. You see, everybody will book the Airbnb. We give them bumbo clock, the card number, then feed them.
You hear that? You hear that now? He said when him a run his family Airbnb a sent and you book the Airbnb in gig pops them the people them card number. That's why me not do Airbnb me there. That one more reason. Wanna hear that? Mm-hmm. And him that and something like that. I don't know. I want different person that. So anybody book their Airbnb, then give them the people them card number for use. I saw a fat the person when named 5K. I said come up earlier. They want to come up earlier saying one back in card from Pops. Yeah, can I give Pops the card number them for use. I chopper them. You say anybody book the Airbnb and give Pops them the card number for use. Me? That's like me? No, never. You know what Airbnb? No, me there.
I like Airbnb then too damn thief.
I'm not even thief. Me no like sleeping at people's bed.
Too expensive. Me not like Airbnb. I prefer an apartment.
I run me a gas station go buy only girl them see me buy rum.
We have here again.
Put back 5 grand in your pocket.
So him a go on like he don't know the youth. And see there? That's our next scam.
And then the girl them start telling me say they have to lick up on their yard, bro. Bro, as I reach up there.
I saw them do it, but me I say no, me know say Kira, me know say that's what them do in America. Them do it too. That's why you hear people talk about them do Airbnb. Them use it for scam people. So them do. Some of them use the people them card and book Airbnb and take the money. No people know about the Airbnb scam them. Yep. So when I hear girl talk about them Airbnb, no for them I use them as scam. Is that them I use people credit card, book them, and then they collect the money, or as the guy say, when the people them book with them card, then use the people them card number.
5 shots in a 5 cup of girl them make, and I mean a crown boss did and the girl them and take, bro. Pops don't think none. And crown boss I give me 4 times to video them and take picture up and the girl them don't know you, bro. I'm going to take one picture of him and did and say, one don't know you. Man can't stop with one don't know you, bro.
Yeah, that's one way where they scammer them clean card. Them use Airbnb and clean the card them. Yep, that's one way where they use and clean the card. Them use them clean them through Airbnb.
People are drinking. But we have stop with that only, man, and we want to get
Alright, now show you something about that batty boy. Now show you that boy a real batty man. You see, me run me from the Airbnb a sentence. You see, everybody will book the Airbnb. We give them bumbo clock, the card number, then feed them. When I tell him that say, every day me send them the card number. When I batty boy, when I talk about that, what's up with the carry on feed me? You can't see me, bad man, this one I come and stop. That's it.
Jabas don't know what to say and here man the Brenda filter. Jabas don't know what to say. Jabas say how did we get here for ring thief in ring to card number.
Everything about salt. Yeah, there.
What?
The girl don't get her jewelry
Yo, in
all
chat, if you
now.
never see Jabba's face, Jabba's confused your fuck. Jabba say, how did we get here?
All now we can't hear about no jewelry. All
Ah,
now.
no. Jabba, see, if you come back from maternity leave, this is not for you.
Yeah, there.
Come like that, Phil. You can get close up with junk.
What to the ring them?
You can bring them away over here. Come like party boy, dog.
Okay.
We change cars, I know.
Yeah.
When time I don't know who are why not. Why I tell
Me go beard. I swear me I go beard. Me have a beard
Yeah,
now.
that get ugly. That get ugly.
Have a beard now. Me tell you.
Hear him say, he must say, he don't know the boy. No, he must say the batty boy. I tell him, say the girl, he must try set him up. Pops know who. First, he don't know the boy. No, he must go say,
Alright,
the
bye,
batty boy, I
baby.
try. I say the girl, he must set him up. So, which is it? You know him or you don't know him?
Tomorrow, liar.
All right, later, Chero. Good night.
When the guy end up on the live, I talk about them things, then come and text out my phone, bad man. And they come tell me about them.
Anybody else send money, don't follow them.
Yeah, bro. Can't tell them I'm a party boy, dog. We don't even know this boy.
So, you don't know him and he must text you. So, how you don't know him and he must text you, Pops?
So when me I say, you hear me?
Your father.
How my pops there?
Why is he? Yo, what show you that, bro? You man can't take me live to your second. You.
Yeah, film live, I film me, I call up, you know when you get
Okay, don't be true. Come on. Okay, you know, say you're the cause about, but you never come out because you have nothing to do with this. Come on.
Did it? From morning, all the one Stacey, she not to protect Lucky. I know they say Lucky and they get away to drive. Guys, somebody said, 3 persons said 1 hand hard, and we could say we fragment.
Look at the smartest one. Look at the smart. Look at the
Jabba, say, you hear me?
Take your phone.
Check my phone.
Take your phone. I take your phone.
You like Lucky? No. We need 3 hand hearts, guys.
What me I say is that we need to get to Crown Bar so we can know what is going to happen.
Send enough heart me, guys. A new day.
We need to find out what's the solution to the woman. And I think them.
And what Jacqueline she?
Jabba, you want me to try to put on the live down the yard right now?
Pops, listen up.
Jabba,
I'm going to tell you to do that because listen, that's a foolish move, bro. Man can't boycott your brother and you can't look out to that. Listen to me. Listen, stop saying that, bro. You're waking me up. Youth. Every time you're showing us how levels down, I understand levels, bro. Pass, man, we chop out your head, you.
Send a heart me, guys. We need 351k. 51 diamonds with me. Me have to say K. 3 hand hearts. I want 2 donuts. 4 hand hearts.
Right, bro. So solution can come out that, bro. It's one of the days, bro. I wanna understand when I see what going on, brother. I always take things too much.
What about money gone?
This boy text me, I tell me, say, yo, if you say, coach, bro, say, don't go and town. We come by the party, then we have to stop. You see a cloud. You see a cloud, man, look. Maybe you have a Jabba as a bad man, because Jabba is the more important thing.
Bro, I'm going to try to find a way, man, they don't fit. Work out this and find a solution to this, bro.
So, Jabba, listen to me, I say, no. Boom. If you don't do something, we're going to look for you. Now this reach on social media. Why you not come on social media and tell people, say, I you dead? Why make you run?
Shut up for DJ then, bro. Yeah, man, shows that I give guilt, bro. That I give guilt. Someone don't know how the man now call the clip.
What scheme boss? Scheme boss, you reach, man. See scheme boss reach over here. Then I feel, yeah, see the CMDP.
Why you make it them bring your name so much, bro? And you know they say you're in trouble, no jewelry, bro. What? Mr. Pops, if you not go clear your name, bro, me not go bring down your blood clot, brother. The human things in the bro can fuck with nobody down there. Yeah, brother, me have to tell you straight up, bro.
I'm gonna tell you this, bro. You know, see that girl, some girl for the patients look at this, one of them can't make things reach them, you know. One of them just a wait out to see what a real outcome, bro. You see,
bro, me there long enough, you know, saying that, bro. When me hear what I do, when me hear what I do, me know, me could tell you how that Erasmus thing they play, you know. Me not hear that in my mind.
The man wake me up in the night, he man wake me up to 4 or 5 o'clock and say, come girl, them say, they left. When Nikki called me now, man, I said, Nikki, when Crown Boss, they wake me up and tell me, say, you saw me for left out of the Airbnb. So when me
The same story over and over. Same story over and over.
You have a real page where you come back and bring down Fabi. Come on a page there.
Exactly.
The same page where you come back and talk about Fabi, this and Fabi that.
Exactly. Come on a page there.
Jabas, obviously, you're not girl Airbnb. You can't take picture of man.
They must say a hit. Where there? Where page name? Where page name?
Watch him in an Airbnb.
Where page name?
When you take a picture, me take a screenshot and me
Where page name?
See Crown Boss.
Invite the only put down.
Scheme Boss on WhatsApp. And I show Scheme Boss, I'm on in a girl Airbnb.
Where page there?
One not only when you want to say magic that you can't take up. So 1 million people I think 1 million take it up. 1 million people.
I want to understand, say, me and my friend are not drug addicts, but we're alcoholics, so we can't drink from today till next week, and we're not full.
Yeah, but you know, sensible woman are real linked and terrible woman when I see them.
Woman don't want this
You see, you pray.
Crown Boss, so I cannot come on the live.
Come on the live, bad man.
Come on the live, pussy one. I'll take police come down there. Come now.
You must say Jabas now, add him.
Yo, me add him man, brother. Me add him man.
Say now, add him, dog.
Say it again. Say it again.
What, I'm gone.
Yo, me add him man, hey brother. Me add him man, brother. I style trick like a
you see, when I go in over calling, you know, if you come up on the bomb buckler, like, I feel like what
I'm waiting for a morning.
I'm going for a morning.
Lord God, pops them teeth chain or something out of Airbnb. Jewelry and liquor. That's a pops
again?
Yep, pops and Crown Boss again.
Oh, God.
Like we here. Where Ibul there? And from money, me a Ibul at it, you know. Ibul there. From money, we at it.
Big pussy coated from Mucklat, girl. Hey, you feel like you can get me intimidate like gonna intimidate pops, them pussy one girl. Lick out your mother. Anybody where you have, send them come here. DB, me live. Tell them forward, no pussy one girl. Girl, go lick out your mother, big long tongue bomb Mucklat, girl. Pussy you like a dark blood clot is.
Yeah.
Coated, girl. Eh? When you come to Jamaica, feel like you can blood clot. Hey, girl, go suck your mother. Girl, go suck out your mother. You can't get shaky, girl. Lick out your mama. No man, no shaky for you, little dirty girl. Lick out your mama. Pussy, you know what? Eh? You know what? Little dirty girl. Dirty girl, you have something big stinky old girl. Coated blood clot girl for England. You have something.
They say they know for deflect, you know. You just come up on a cuss, so. You didn't just know for deflect, yo.
Big pussy girl, go suck your mother. You lick out your...
Lord.
Yeah, mix up with bad boy Trevor daughter. Hold on, where girl them there?
Here ya.
Wait. Where girl them there? Wait, see them here.
Find them. Here there. One next mix up in the night.
Wait.
Bad boy Trevor.
And
Trevor will eat pum pum.
Yeah, what the she
Yeah.
better come to town.
So when I do? When
Look,
that's
see,
okay. All right, we're back. So
now go mute.
All right.
So I'm going to start off first. She made me and her stop being friends because she tell me say she day in New York. I chat the whole of my business when we do versus when we not do, and say she want to fight me and whatever. But wait,
let me tell you. She told Cassie that I wanted to fight her, and then told me that Cassie wanted to fight me.
And send me a chat her, and I never said nothing about her.
How old are you guys? Before we go, how old are you guys?
I'm 20.
I'm 19.
19. Oh, you're not adults. So which one is bad boy Trevor daughter?
She not there right now. She. Let me show you. She will come out, yes. Because I don't normally do these things, but you pass the line now. This girl.
Yes, because she fuck there, man. You see?
That's not the only issue. That's not the only thing. That I don't care about.
So where you guys live at?
Next to New York.
Oh, next to all right. Okay, now live in the States. Okay.
All right, so she was in a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
With the man we just commented.
With the man we just commented a while ago. If you see it, you see it. And them relationship get a little rocky because she a giving beer bun and I try run.
Guys, I'm gonna share your life to bad boy Trevor there.
he seen that shit. So he ended up breaking her phone or whatever. They broke up, stopped talking, boom, bang. I was like, all right, boom. Cause she lied to me about however our relationship go. She lies to everybody. So me see our relationship go and me see our phone screen and me said, Jaja, I saw it did fuck up bad. So I called my ex, cause my ex got mad money. So I called him and I was like, yo, my friend's phone's broke. Can you fix it? He's like, I got you. I got a 16 Pro Max for her if she want that. So she texted me and was like,
so she's the friend, the girl you just showed just now. She's the friend.
Yeah, she's the friend I'm talking about.
Yeah, okay.
So she texted me the next day after we done go to the party and was like, oh, send me his number. I thought nothing of it because I didn't think that she was that type of friend to me. So I send her the man number. Boom, no. Me never even know say them link cause she lock off our location the first time them link. So them link now and then she come back and then she come say, Cassie, if that's your man, you need to leave him alone. You need to leave him alone. And tell me say, him say all she gotta do is be his personal slut and he'll give her money and take care of her and X, Y, and Z.
So a personal slut though.
Clean off rifle, bunk spam body, all them type of things there. That's a personal slut.
Yeah, that's a personal
right.
slut. But she
So-
does it for free, so she might as well get some of
So she said, yeah, you need to leave him alone. I never did nothing like that. So she said, I'm going up there with my stepbrother to cuss his ass out because who is he talking to? Da 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 da. Boop. So dep on the phone with her when she go over there, and then she hung up, and then she lock off our location. And so I'm texting her phone, she's not answering. She finally reached there, and she called me back, and she's like, I'm going in the store, and I'm finna cuss him out. Soon as she reached in the store, hi, hello, what's going on? I'ma say, which part of the cussing out there? Where the bring down there? And then she said, me soon call you back and hang up. I found out that she asked him to book her a lift to go up there. So she booked a lift to go over there. Then now, she turned on back her location for 2 seconds and me check it and my sister she there in the back of him liquor store. I'm like, what the fuck she doing back there?
Oh, so him own a liquor store?
He owns multiple businesses. Him own hotel in Jamaica, him own club over here. So enough thing him do. He got money. That's why I called him.
So she take away your banker. Are you vex?
She take away ATM machine.
No. I don't care because I don't want him. I don't want him.
You don't want him and you have so much money?
It's not about the money for me. Me no business. Yes. So she was over there and then I was calling her phone. She not answering. Then he called me and he was like, you see, I've been telling you this girl's not your friend. Cause you see how you calling her phone and she's not answering? I'm like, that's weird as fuck. So boom, no. Later, after that, she was over at his liquor store for 5+ hours after the liquor store locked in at the back of the liquor store on a Sunday morning. Well, afternoon, cause it closed. Liquor store closed 8 early on Sundays. So I text her and I said to her, let me pull up the messages.
Can we do something real quick? Can we please just do this real quick and do this real quick?
Yes. So she not come on live. Where should I answer all of the allegations?
My boy, check my data. She there?
No,
she live to her.
No, she the live to her, man. Yeah, because she can't be somebody personal slut. That no look good.
So, okay, I have all the messages there. She said, I'm going to his workplace. I said, for what? I said, record it. Yeah, I'm want to see mix up. She said, no, I'm not laughing, but I'm a low life. Bright your fuck. Then go say we fuck. You must sick. Then I found out that she actually did go fuck him. She fucked him. She fucked him.
Liquor store?
In at the back of the liquor store after telling me, say,
cardboard?
Pardon? No, he got a bean bag. He got a bean bag on a bean
bag.
That's what's in the office. A bean bag and a table and chair. So then I said, this is where she started look guilty. She said, I don't want to talk to nobody or be with nobody. Why I gotta lie or be weird? What the fuck, girl? I never been weird to you. I already got Josh and whoever. I don't care. Cause she did a give her man bun, so she had to whoever. So she said, I don't care about this man. Girl, be for real. I said, Layla, I never said you were. I'm just saying. So then she said, don't say that about chat to him cause...
To me ask a question, but you say you don't want him, so why if she want him?
I just feel like as my friend, you should be honest.
No, she not have to be honest. She gotta be one more cause she can't something there. She not have to tell you what she want to be one more cause. No, Ibo, she no but she said she don't want the man to if the girl take the man, that no matter.
What do you no? As how I roll in my friendship and the amount of things me do for her, yes, it does matter. Yes, it does matter. It's the
Just cut her
principle.
off. Just
That's
cut
my
her off
ex,
then.
and we did cut her off. Stop
Yeah, that's
talking to her.
it.
Go on now, you
Yeah.
have your part there.
Okay, really and truly.
Cause you have all the mixed up.
Liar, this a girl that gonna be my future baby, me a plan to be my future baby mother. I want to go talk, you know. So tell me she have sense and how she talk. Is it just tell me how she, please.
Okay,
God.
really and truly, she did a lot of weird shit to me, but like I really don't give a fuck about like all of that. She was just basically talking about me to Cassie and made it seem like, oh, like I was forcing her to go out. Mind you, she walked to the house that I was at to come get me to make sure I went to the party. But that defeats the purpose for real. But basically her brother had died, which is Daniel, or no, probably know him, whatever, cool. And she was fucking with Daniel. That was her nigga. And before Daniel died, we had like a little circle, like a friend group. And it was me, Daniel, her, and this other guy. Cool. When Daniel had died, she started fucking with the nigga that Daniel introduced her to, which is the one that I was talking to. But it wasn't that serious or nothing. So
You know, like each other man, them man. You know, like each other man.
She.
Oh, you know, like each other man. That's
and I was like, that's weird as fuck because there's multiple of her exes that text me and I don't entertain none of them. Cool. There's this other party guy that she said that she's using him to get in his parties. And I told her that's weird as fuck for her to be talking to him when I was talking to him. And she went as far as to text this man about me, talking about I'm stuck on my ex and I tried bash me to him or whatever. So that was weird as fuck to me. But she does multiple shit, and we could really get into the multiple shit that she does. She did.
Get into it.
no, and but you know, that's not be friend.
Proof
You know, that's not be friend with her no more. That's it.
So
That no.
would we like to see the screen recording of her linking with Malidan?
Who named Malidan? Yeah, make we see that. That one is so nice. How old she be?
She's 20.
So yeah, show with that. Show with that.
One piece, die. I think lie me I tell her lie One Piece. Is it?
Okay.
We can get bigger. We can get bigger, no, right?
Okay, so this is when she was in the Uber because Malidan had got her a Uber.
Put it in my back camera.
Hold on.
Come, put it
Tell
right
her, darling, please.
This is Malidan walking after he picked her up, whatever, cool. He's walking, whatever. I have the whole address of whatever. This is her at his house. Got inside the house, cool. Then this is her.
Watch how long in her tongue.
Look, her sticking out her tongue, all happy to see that nigga, whatever, cool. She's mad happy as you can see. Mind you, this is her nigga's cousin. Her boyfriend that she loves so much, this is his cousin.
Got name tatted and everything.
Yeah.
You see. So I would that then if you can't see.
This is her, and she had passed the phone to Malidan.
So you can't see that? It dark? You still can't see?
Okay, yeah. Does that look like El Crook to you guys, or am I tripping? Christmas. Bitch, we not nothing for discuss. Okay. What else should I get into? Because there's a whole lot. First, another thing is, honestly, to God, I was not gonna get. Okay, honestly, I wasn't even gonna get into all of this. I simply had text this girl nice as fuck, and I was just like, and she was just texting me like, oh, she's on that shit. So since you're on that shit, girl, you can come to the front and you can get beat up about the mouth that you got. But whatever. Let's talk about the time that I spent $32 to buy this girl Popeyes, and I gave her the Popeyes. When I gave her the Popeyes, the girl didn't even say thank you. She said, "Where's my drink?" That's one. Cool. She didn't. I got her Ubers to go to school. Cool. When she got her nigga's name tattooed, I had to put some of it in there, some money in there. When she got that nigga's name tattooed. What else? Oh, Luana. She chat Luana. I should get a link up with her. There's so much. She talks about everybody.
So what she and Malidan do?
She said she did feel up him hood and kiss him up.
Yeah.
But there, I really genuinely don't know what else happened in that room.
And I feel just leave her alone, cause she like taking a man, so enough leave her alone. That's it.
I have no idea what happened after that. Mind you, that's her nigga's cousin. They're blood cousins.
Yeah.
Same last
But me
name
soon
and
come
all.
here. Me soon come.